Hey, good morning, good morning, good morning. How's everybody doing out there? Let's go, let's go, let's go. We got a big day out there today. We have the CPI data coming out. We have 4 take profit trader accounts we're going to be giving away today. All fun times. Yeah, 4 today, 4 tomorrow, 4 the next day. We have, trying to remember how I have it all set up now. Nonetheless, we have about 20 accounts to give away. Try to get them all away before Friday. So that'd be fun, 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 and fun. Don't forget today, right here, coming up 8:30, we have CPI data coming out. And be very, very mindful. If you're trading with a prop firm that has tier 1 news event. So if you have a Pro or Pro Plus account with Take Profit Trader, they do have, this will be a thing where you have to be flat. All right. If you're in an eval with Take Profit Trader, you're good to keep trading. So fun, fun, and fun. So let's see. What's it gonna be? And again, that news comes out here in about 30 minutes. Bracket orders not allowed in evals. I don't know. I don't think that prop firms police the evals all that much, but you know, I would just pick a direction if you're gonna try to do that, in my personal opinion. But what do I know? So we'll see. We'll see what today is gonna bring out. Fear and Green Index, we're sitting right up here at 66. Oh, I forgot to do this. Where's that at? Where is that at? Change the settings so we don't get behind. We'll look at the CPI data as it comes out. There we go. Move that out of the way. There we go. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and smash that lucky like button real quick. We're ready for a pullback. Yeah, we had a little pullback overnight. Can they keep it coming down? We do have a little bit of liquidity here on the S&P, 7,400, then 7,380. I like these levels. I do think they get hit. We look over on the NASDAQ. What do we have for the NASDAQ this morning? I'm not going to take any trades until CPI comes out. Yeah. I don't see a whole lot of liquidity. We got a little bit down here at 29,000. So we shall see. Let me go smash that lucky like button myself. Oh, that's weird. All right, let's see. What number am I going to be? What's the lucky number for me? Bam, I'm going to be lucky number 24. Let's go. Lucky number 24. Hey, repeat. Good morning. I got a lower number today, so hopefully trading's not a disaster like yesterday. I gotta get this under control. No, hey, I'm not saying you can do bracket orders. I said most of the time, most prop firms do not police it all that strict. I wouldn't do it just to be safe. But that's me. Because there is a chance that you could get dinged with it. So I gotta go looky at something. Let me find it. I gotta find it real quick. And where are we at? We have oil over 101 right here at the moment. Trying to bring it on down. Bring it on down. Looking for, there we go. Yeah, we're going to be giving away 4 accounts today, 4 accounts tomorrow, 4 accounts on Thursday on the live streams. Wednesday's market analysis video, I'm going to be giving away 3 accounts. And then Thursday's video, we're going to be giving away 5 accounts for a total of 20 accounts. And then on Friday, we're going to give away some Lucid accounts on stream. So, hey, Adam, what's up? What's up? So I had to remind myself how I was trying to give everybody a chance to get some of these accounts. So I haven't figured out how we're going to do it yet. Yeah, it'll be a total of 20. So 4 today, 4 tomorrow during the stream, and then I gotta go back and see again. Because at one point I was just gonna do all in the stream, and I was like, nah, let's give everybody a shot. Let's give everybody a shot. Yeah, so on the stream, we'll be giving away 12 accounts today, tomorrow, and the next day. Total 4 accounts each day. Wednesday's market analysis video, we'll give away 3 accounts. Then I'm going to give away 5 accounts in Thursday's video. So multiple chances for you guys to win. Some of you guys are probably not the ones on here, but some of the people complain that, Mike, I'm never able to make the stream. All right, perfect. So I'm gonna give you guys a chance. We're gonna have 8 accounts going out between the videos on Wednesday and Thursday, so should be good. Now I am kind of curious real quick as we come look at this. Look, the VIX right now is only up 2.4%. Nikkei was up last night, 324. HSI was down 58. Look at the DAX. DAX right now is down 1%. We have the CAC down 51 points, down 0.63. Let's go out here and look in pre-market real quick. And again, I'm not going to trade. I'm not going to place any trades until this news comes out. But you can see right here, the RSP is currently down 0.14%. Where we have the SPY down 0.46. So RSP is holding up a little bit better. We go over and look at Mr. NASDAQ. Big gap down appearing on the NASDAQ, almost down 1% in pre-market. Is it going to be a gap down and we run right back up and fill the gaps? Very real possibility. You can see right down here, we're at the low of the day on the NASDAQ. Maybe the S&P too, right? Yeah, S&P is getting down there as well. So. Yeah, well, I want to go see SMH. SMH has been very strong. What's SMH doing this morning? SMH is down 2%. Woof. Oh man, can we hold it? The SOX? The SOX is up about 7%. Now, I am kind of curious with the NASDAQ going down. I don't think it's there yet. Let's just go look around real quick. You know, it's looking more and more. We have 2 targets initially. One is going to be this minus development area. Looks like that could be in the cards today. And then maybe all the way down here towards that point of control. I like it. You think a big up move is coming? It's possible. But, I mean, at some point, you got to believe that we're going to get a pullback. I mean, this is ridiculous. No pullbacks all the way up. None. None. That is not normal. I know some people think that's normal. That is not normal. So. Yes, we're coming into the first high volume node right here. A little bit lower. It'll be about 73.95. We'll see if we come into this area right there next. Full port 30 evals. Oh boy. What could go wrong? What could go wrong with 30 evals? We do have a 9 count right here. Yeah, Trump visit to China tomorrow. I think that's tomorrow, right, Raj? Trump's visit to China. Hey, Miss K, good morning. But what's funny is I can't tell you how many traders I talked to, and first thing they say is, "Hey, how much higher do you think this is going to go?" a majority of them aren't like, hey, do you think this thing's going to pull back and get a better buying opportunity? Like, how much higher do you think it can keep going? Think it's just going to keep going? Because all they want to do is buy it. Buy. I'm like, oh boy, this is going to end badly. This is going to end badly. I mean, look on the, look on the daily. I keep adjusting these fibs up. I'll just get rid of it. But I mean, look at this. Where's the pullback? There's been no pullback. The best we've done is kind of sideways slanting up for a pullback. That's ridiculous. And we look over here, right here looks like a nice little juicy area, 71.58. And while we're waiting for the CPI data to come out, let's go look. Where are we at with the GEX levels this morning? All right, we're almost at GEX 1 right now. 7,400 is GEX 1 on the ES. We never made it up to the call resistance yesterday. We came close. Oh yeah, we did. We did. The NASDAQ did not, I don't think. We have the 1-day minimum. Ooh, that'd be juicy if we make it down there. 73.66. 73.66. Well, that brings us right into this other high volume node area. High volume area of the profile, right up in there. Could just buy and hold short. Yeah. That's one way to put it. Let's see the NASDAQ real quick. NASDAQ, we're coming up on put support. So we have put support at 29,100. If we don't get a bounce there, we're probably flushing down. Just looking at the GEX levels, down here to 29,025, and then maybe down here towards 28,975. This should be fun. Fun. I can't wait. I'm kind of curious. Let's go look at their little cheat sheet. What do they have? Let's go see what they have over here for the CPI. So stocks up, dollar down, yields down, gold up. Hey, Paul, what's up? No longs below the 1-day minimum. Yeah, I mean, if you do, usually you're in for a little bit of a whipping until we get back above the 1-day minimum. If we get down there, because usually if the options markets get it wrong, they get it wrong in a big way. So, oh man, it blew the Perdia yesterday. That stinks. My accounts have been getting pummeled. Like my prop accounts got hurt pretty bad yesterday in all that mess. Still, I mean, I'm just getting, these markets are just brutalizing me. So if we look at CPI year over year, 3.5% month over month, 0.4 or lower. Core lower than 2.6 year over year, and month core less than 0.2. That's where this all comes into play. And we see stock. So, we have oil screaming. Oil's been screaming. But I don't know if it's as high as it was previously. So are we going to see a much higher reading? So if we get above 3.8 month over month, we'll get stocks down, dollar up, yields up, gold down. And if we get much higher, so higher than 3.8, we get all that. Stocks really down, dollar up, yields up, gold down. But 3.8-ish, then, stocks barely down, dollar up, yields up, gold down. In line, everything goes sideways, they say, but the sideways just means we're going to make new all-time highs. Let's be honest about it. Sideways just means new all-time highs. It's a fancy way for them saying all-time highs. So we're going to skip the fours altogether. How we might. It's going to be a juicy one. We're going to look at, after the report comes in, we're going to dive into that report and look at it. I figure that's going to slow me down a little bit in my trading. And remember, if you are trading with Take Profit Trader, be careful. This is a tier 1 news event. So unless it's an eval, do not trade it. Be flat. You probably already answered this. Can I trade? Yeah, you can trade Apex on news. Apex does not have any, the only restrictions they have is you can't bracket in order. So let's say CPI is getting ready to come out. Let's assume that we're doing a 5 minute just so the candle doesn't change so quick. Let's just assume that right here. All right, you're looking at this. All right, CPI is getting ready to come out. It's going to come out here in about 2 minutes. You bracket a buy order right above here and a sell stop order right below here. You can't do that. You could be long or short and get in as the news comes out, whatever, but you cannot bracket the order. You have to pick a direction. That is with Apex. Lucid has no news restrictions. Tradeify, no news restrictions. Perdia, no news restrictions. So my funded futures and take profit trader, you gotta think about the news. And to be honest with you, if we're trading during the news, at that point, it's just a gamble. How many times have we seen news come out and it comes out exactly like we think, but the market does something other? Let's say we get a good CPI report, stocks tank, you know, or vice versa. So it's news and earnings are all gambling, in my opinion. Yeah, just like earnings. Seeing great earnings come out, you get initial pop, and like, whoa, what happened? Everything was going just fine. So I got the prop accounts a little bit green last night, but man, my prop accounts have been getting trashed. I even bought some Apex accounts last night. So I bought 20 Apex accounts that I plan to trade today. I did not trade these yet. So we'll see how this is all going to shake out today. Brand new Apex accounts. Took advantage of that sale. I kept telling you guys I was going to get them before the sale was over. I didn't trade them last night. I didn't even take them. I didn't even buy them until I was done trading last night. I said, no way, no way, no way. So no, I repeat, I've been getting smoked lately. Like every day has just been a fight. Yesterday, a fight. I can't even remember where the account, man. I had so many ups and downs in the accounts. I don't even remember if we were up or down when I left the stream yesterday. I had a big swing up, had a big swing back down after the stream, finished down a little bit. Actually, I think I swung up, swung it all the way back down really quick. That was dumb. Back up. I think I ended down. I think I ended it down for the, I took one more trade and I think it got me in the red. Stupid. But I deserved it. Like I was trading like crap yesterday. I went back. I was so disgusted. Like I've just been taking way too many trades. Way too many trades. So yeah, I wish Apex activation fees weren't so high. I do agree with that, but you know, if you think about it in the bigger scheme of things, if you're able to get all 6 payouts, it's a drop in the bucket at that point. I gotta worry about getting a payout with them this year. No, hey, so that's a great question. So if you pass your evals and you're in a funded account and you blow it up, you have to start all over again. You have to buy an eval all over again and pass it. So no, I bought 50Ks. I'm going to go with 50Ks. I think the 150Ks are just gonna, I'm going to go back to 50Ks. Once I blow up the other 150K accounts that I have, I'm going to go back to 50Ks. At least for all the other prop firms. One, it'll be cheaper. So when I'm trading like crap like I am right now, it doesn't cost me as much money. And 2, it's quicker to get a payout. So you have to make typically $3,000 to pass most 50K evals. And then make another $3,000, so $6,000 total, and you're making money at that point. Where in the 150K accounts, typically it's 9,000 to pass. Then you have to make another, $5,000 or so. So, oh, did Apex extend it? Let's go look. So I was in a hurry. Like I barely got the last one in last night before 12 o'clock when I thought the sale was going to end. No, hey, Apex's sale is over. At least on their website, it doesn't show it. Let's go actually look. I'm going to go log in real quick. Because I was a race against the clock once I was done trading last night. So it should be 50% off right now. Let's go look. Let me do my 2FA code real quick. Mr. 2FA. And again, I'm trying to figure out how we want to give away all these accounts today. I know we're going to do at least one duck race. But then I might have Nightbot just pick out some random winners today as well. Or maybe we'll have 2 duck races. I don't know. Maybe we'll do that. Maybe we'll do 2 duck races, 1 and 2, maybe. Let's go see. Oh. All right. Boom. Yeah, Apex is only 50% off right now. So I can't get everybody in the race. I can't get everybody in the race. How many people we have in here? Hey, get us 100 likes real quick. Ooh, we won't be able to do that quick enough. Anyways, try to get us 100 likes anyways. So depending on how the market's moving, maybe we'll try to do 1 duck race before the market opens. Which, for those of you that are here early, it'll help out. So tomorrow we'll make that one of the things too. We'll try to do an early duck race. We'll call it 8:30-ish. And we'll get 2 winners out of the way right there. And then we'll have 2 more to give away later on. But with the CPI coming out, I don't know where, if the market's not crazy after CPI, we'll still try to do one really, really early. Or as soon as we get 100 likes. So if we do it tomorrow at 8:30, we have to have at least 100 likes. You got 2 Apex accounts this weekend on you. Trying them out. Yeah, I bought 20 of them last night. 20 of them. So at a time where I'm not trading well, but you know, I really wanted to get a trade in last night. I was like, ooh, let me, and it would have been a winning trade. Hey, but look over here on the ES real quick. Yeah. Look at the ES. Kind of a little bear flaggish pattern, right? Kind of flagpole and then flagging out right here. And is it going to go down or do we pop coming up? I don't know, but I'm going to slow down my trading. When I look at the trades from yesterday, it's like, oh, I can't. It's so hard to go back over and look at them. I look at a 1-minute chart. The whole chart's just friggin' littered. Good looking out, Chris. Smash the like button, everybody. We do truly appreciate it. Helps out with the YouTube algorithm a little bit. Like, this is just disgusting, these trades. Like, this is just ridiculous. I'll show you guys real quick. And this is just the trades from stream. All right, this is if you ever see this on your chart, when you go back and look at your trades at night. All right, this is a classic sign. You're taking way too many trades. Can't even see the front, can't even see the price candles. Stupidness. I'm just chasing price around. That's all I was doing, was just chasing price. Dumb. Dumb. What's your rule on Take Profit Trader? On a pro account, you can't trade this news. You gotta be flat. So you gotta be flat at least 1 minute before, during, and 1 minute after. I'd go ahead and be flat already just to make sure you're good. You don't come into having a problem trying to, clear out your trades. How to include everyone. Hey, Paul, I didn't see it, but I was in the weeds yesterday too, Paul. So I may not have seen it. Yesterday was not good to me. My mental health was suffering yesterday. Oh, I see it now. How to quickly enter all people in the duck race, live streaming. Hey, but it talks about on an Android phone. Hey, Paul, I see this search, but I don't see Hey, so I'll watch that tonight. Hey, Paul, I'm gonna watch that tonight. I'll watch it tonight and see. Hey, if we have a way where I can enter everybody in easily, we'll do that too. I don't care about that. Or maybe we'll just do, man, it'd be, I don't know. We'll see. Actually, I think you can only have 100 people in there. Hey, Paul, I think the duck race, he has 400. The moose race. Hold on, I want to go see the duck race. How many people can be in it? I think it's only 100. Let me see. Yeah, it only gives me 100. Oh. So if you pay for premium, if I pay for premium, you can get 1,000 people in it. $12-month access. Huh. So let me read in. I'll read into that tonight. And we will see. Huh. All right, market's trying to come on down. Come on down. Are we gonna hit the targets before? I say targets. I'm gonna cover this whole zone that I'm watching right here, just so you guys can see it when we look at the ES chart. All the way down here. If not, red to green. Well, if the markets were to open right here, right now, we have a large gap to the downside. Large gap. I'm not really buying it here at the moment. U.S. forces have redirected 65 commercial vessels and disabled 4. The world is about 1 billion barrels short due to the Hormuz closure. Take a short the VWAP. We are pretty far away from VWAP actually. So if we do a VWAP check really quick, VWAP. What am I doing? Oh, what an idiot. Oh, geez. Didn't get enough sleep last night. I ate something that's tearing up my stomach. Anyhow. Mr. VWAP, where are you at? All right, there's the ES. You can see last time we touched VWAP was right here about 12:45. Let's just see NQ. No, NVIDIA's earnings are out next week, I think. NASDAQ last time it touched it was at 11 o'clock last night. What about YM? YM's just kind of going sideways. Had that dip down when London opened. Whoop, right back up, just going sideways. And what about RTY? Yeah, RTY keeps sitting it still below the VWAP at the moment. Look at crude oil real quick. See, crude oil's been a nice little tear on the way up. So if we look at NVIDIA, let's see. Let's go looky. NVIDIA's earnings are going to be right here. Oh, Wednesday the 20th. Wednesday the 20th. So not tomorrow, but the following Wednesday. So we shall see. CPI we have at 8:30. Oh, also we have today tentative the Fed chair nomination vote forecasted to pass. So if it doesn't pass, does that cause any volatility in the markets? I hate the tentative crap, but it's probably going to take a while to count all the votes, get everybody to vote. Keep an eye on the VIX. VIX is still up 47 cents. So let's go. And yesterday, I know what triggered me yesterday. That first trade yesterday where I stopped myself out early and then the market dumps. That was the trigger point for me yesterday. I'm like, oh, this is freaking ridiculous. Stupid market. So it got me. Nothing more I can really say about that. It got me. Yeah, I think he passed it. I think he will too. And we'll see. Like I said, if the markets were to open right here, right now, we'd have some large gaps. So do we run back up there and we fill those gaps pretty quickly? So we have about less than 3 minutes. We have about 2 minutes left. So be cautious. If you're trading with a prop account, know if you have to be out or not. This would be considered a tier 1 news event. So Take Profit Trader Pro and Pro Plus accounts, if you do not close out the trade, you will lose the account. If you're in an eval with Take Profit Trader, you're fine. And Take Profit Trader is 50% off right now. So if you guys want to check them out, use code Mike at checkout. Do truly appreciate it. Let's see. Can they push it? Push it real good. So 7,400 to 7,402, we have a little bit of liquidity right here on the ES, just a little bit. On Take Profit Trader, 1 minute after. 1 minute after. So I'm flat all my prop accounts. I have no trades on. Prop accounts actually had a green night last night. Let's hopefully I don't just smoke them all. But so in my prop accounts, they're about 6,000, not counting the evals with Apex, which I've not traded those accounts yet. I'm not trading those accounts on this news either. So I'm going to wait. I got to take it slow. Speeding things up is not going to help me out at this moment. Yeah, MFF is 2 minutes. You know, in all reality, if you want to be safe, I do 3 minutes. 3 minutes before and 3 minutes after. So just be flat for about a 6 minute period. All right, here we go. Got about 8 seconds left. Here we go. Are we going to blast off? Year over year came in at 3.8. They forecasted 3.7. All right, now I want to go to BLS's website real quick. Wow, you know, for a lot of the CPI reports we've had in the past, you could play a break and really get a big move. So we're going to go look at this real quick. BLS. All right, there goes the NASDAQ, made new low. Where are we at? PDF. All right, so if we look at here's the BLS report. We go look at it real quick. All right, here was last time. Last time, big move up, still 0.6. It's still quite large. Still quite large. And that is not the trajectory that we want. Jay Powell's not leaving the new guy in a good spot. All right, so once again, we look, it's all energy. Energy right here. This whole pack right here is just killing it. The only takeaways that we have is going to be medical care and new vehicles. Because nobody's buying new vehicles. They don't have no money. Inflation's too high. So, and then a little bit right here. Utility pipe gas services. Everything else was up. Everything else was up. But we got to be mindful, all right? You got to be mindful. Is it the CPI? Sampling error. Talk about that all the time, so. If the Iranians also turn up in China. Doop, 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 doop. All right, we got Dow down 70 points right now. ES down 37. NASDAQ down 303. We have RTY down 17. So we're not having any crazy moves out there. You guys did get us over 100 likes. So let's go ahead and fire off a quick little duck race real quick. Let me get Nightbot situated. We have a chance to get. Now remember, if you want a chance to win, you got to be signed up to the email list down below. If not, and you win, you'll simply forfeit. All right, I don't like to see people forfeit. I don't like that one bit. Giveaway. Okay, let's see. Are you guys gonna be ready? Number wasn't that bad. We'll see if we start retracing back up here a little bit. I'm gonna let the market settle out a little bit. I gotta slow things down for myself. I can't have. I gotta break this cycle. It's been ridiculous. So sick and tired of the last 2 months in these markets. So I gotta change things. So throwing around a 4 handle. Well, remember it is the CPI. It could have really been 4, and they just told us 3.8. All right, so I'm gonna give out the key phrase for the first duck race. In 3, 2, 1, boop. Drop this phrase in the chat. Nightbot will pick out some winners. Bam. Up, Sam. Man, Sam's always on it. Sam gets that number 1 pick. Pretty darn consistent. All right, let me get work. If this market wants to go up, I'm perfectly fine with that as well. All right, next winner, next contestant in the duck race, Horizon Trades. All right. Next one is gonna be Noi. Let's go. Next one's gonna be Clarith. Let the markets keep on running. I don't care. Give me a better shot to short it. Oh, Sam, you're already in it. You only get 1 spot. Oh, I just gypped somebody out of a race. It was lagging. Hold up. I gotta go back and watch it real quick. Hold up. We gotta go back and watch it. I'm ripping it pretty good, which isn't really that surprising given the fact that we just went down. Okay, hold on. I gotta see this. I got to see. Who did I try to jip out of that? I didn't try to jip you out, but so we're gonna make it right. All right, I gotta see if they're on here. Hey, it was Horizons Trades or something. Oh no, it wasn't. No, it wasn't. Hold on. I'm not far enough yet. All right, no, I already had you. Clarith, I got you. Okay, so I'm seeing who the next person was. Saying it was you. Dang it was quick. I don't even know if I can do it that quick. Golly. I gotta slow this. I gotta slow down the speed. The speed in which it did it is ridiculous. Okay. Ooh, they're ripping it up pretty good there. Hey, so fuelish behavior. All right, I got it. I'm going to screenshot that just to make sure. Hey, so the one that got skipped on manually entering is going to be this one right there. Fuelish behavior. All right, got to make it right. I didn't try to skip you. So we got it right now. All right, now I just got to type that in. All right. Now we can resume with the duck picks. All right. Where did Nightbot go? We're already messing this up. Oh boy. I really messed up the duck race than my trading this morning. All right. So let's get the next one picked. Next one is going to be. All right. That gives us about 6. All right. Next one is going to be. All right. Next one is going to be mini trader. Let's go. This market's zinging up pretty darn good right now. Next one is going to be. Oh, there we go. All right. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm going to pick one more. Then I'm going to pick a couple randoms out of the chat. Some regulars that I see in the chat on a daily basis. I'm going to pick probably 2 of those out. So you guys can quit typing in the chat. You guys can quit typing in. Oh, Paul Harris, I'm going to give you a spot in the duck race. You're on here all the time. I don't see you in the duck races. And Robert, I'm going to give Robert a spot. And again, we're going to do another duck race before I get off the stream today. So let's see whose ducklings are going to win. Who's it going to be? Let's see. Let me make sure I get that all squared away. I reset my screen the way it needs to be. All right. Let's see who's going to win the ducky duck race. Let's see. We'll do the 1 minute real quick. All right. On your marks, get set. Beep. Let's see who's going to win it. I'm going to record it so I can get the last. We can see who won. We can see the second place winner. Let's see. Say number 3. Well, hey, spot 1 and 2 is gonna win. We're gonna pay out the first loser and the first winner. So we have 2 of them. Paul says he's biased. What time is it? 8:40. So we still got about 50 minutes until the market opens. All right, I'm going to record it. That way we can see who second place is. Uh-oh. The B duck is going back. Let's see who slingshots out of the back. Who's it going to be? Who's going to win the first 2 take profit trader accounts? Ooh, that's going to be tough. Wow, that's tough. Hey, the one that almost got skipped. Oh man, good thing I went back and got that person. Oh man. All right, hey, foolish behavior. Hey, what's the first 3 letters of your email? Yeah, I got it recorded, so we'll be able to go back and see. He got fuel. 98. All right, let's see. Hey, there you go. I found you already. All right. Wow. And I did find you. So, well, let me just double check. Yep, that's you. All right. So I'm going to send you an email really quick. Then I'm going to look and we'll see who number 2 was. Who was number 2? Number 2. We're going to find out. But again, we're going to be doing this tomorrow as well. Tomorrow, next day. And tomorrow's video. So let's see. Sent. Man, I got something in my eye. Trying to find where I sent this. Jeez. Where is it at? Well, we had plenty of time. It's not necessarily the first people that type it in. As long as your thing is in there, you had a shot to win. We got another giveaway we're gonna do here in a little bit too. All right, let's see. Man, why can I not find this? This is craziness. There we go. Okay. Compose. And let me get the email back. All right, I sent you out. Now, I'm not going to Take Profit Trader the winners until after we do the second giveaway. But as soon as you can get the information to me, the better off we'll be. All right. All right, so now let's go see who the second one was. Who do you guys think was the second winner? Who was that? Let's go see. Let's go looky. We got a race. Ooh. Man, that's close. I was trying to pause it. Wow. That's close. Oof. I think Mini Trader got it. Mini Trader, looks like you were the winner. So Mini Trader, are you still on here? If so, what's the first 3 letters of your email? Let's see. Gotta see if it was that same number. Geo. 14. All right. Let's go look. And I can get you the email sent out as well. Let's see. All right, NASDAQ's trying to come back down here. Look, we had that 9 count up here. The regression channel is facing up at this point. I can't be this one. No. Man, there's a lot of GEOs. Again, if you guys didn't win this time, you still have a chance to win another time. We're going to give away 2 more accounts later on stream. I'm still trying to find it. Oh. Hey, Mini Trader, I don't see you. Oh, I do. You're the very last one. The very last one of the Geos. All right, good stuff. Good stuff. All right, I'm going to send you an email. Fantastic. Perfect. Bam. Yeah, short 4 M&Q towards that 9 count. Nice. All right. So we got those accounts given away. That's all good stuff. So we got 2 accounts given away. We got 2 more to give away on stream today. Pretty confident we're going to do it in a duck race. Tomorrow we might do it a different way, but probably do another duck race today when we get closer to the stream ending. We test the bottom of the CPI print. I think so too, Paul. I still think we're going lower, but look what we did with the VWAPs real quick. Yes. Bam, we hit the VWAP. What about the NASDAQ? Ooh, not yet. Hey, we do have the Dow up. Dow is the only one of the 4 indices in the green. Dow's in the green, up a whopping 2 points, 3 points. So. Says US Supercore CPI month over month 0.45 versus 0.18. So on the NASDAQ on the weekly, see, depends on what you're looking at, but the one I'm really focused on this week is this one right here. This is the 4th consecutive weekly point of control. We have 1, 2, 3, and this is the 4th consecutive. Now, even from the current price all the way down here, it's still another 500 points. Now, I'm half tempted to just throw a swing trade on for that. I was even thinking that yesterday a little bit, but I didn't do it. Did not do it. So we had the major news event out for the day. But if we look over here on the 30-minute chart on the ES, looking like it's trying to whoop, maybe go up here a little bit. We've been down all night. All of Asia, pretty much. London. We had a first initial pop and then down. Then goes up my bad. Hey, that's what the market does. Hey, we're not going to have a deal anymore. All right, markets go up. We have a deal. Markets go up. So it's like no matter what, the markets go up. And again, the way I trade does not do well in markets where we do not get a pullback. This is not normal. I know it may feel like the new normal, but this is not normal price action in the market. We've now had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks without a pullback. So that's not normal. Not normal. Yeah, if the markets go down enough, inflation, if the economy goes into a recession, we won't have any more inflation. Hegseth says we have a plan to escalate in Iran if necessary. Okay. China meeting and Nvidia. Yeah, China's tomorrow, right, Raj? Trump goes to China tomorrow. Hey, Trump has the interview at 11 o'clock today. So Trump's going to be, we'll hear some tweets or something from Trump or some remarks from the interview probably. We'll see some news little bits. So Trump at 11, we got to be mindful of that. Taco Nacho. Nice little rip on the way up. Nice little rips. Oh, hey, Fed Up, what's up? Oh, you found me on one of my worst days. I've really been in a funk the last 2 months, but you would have put max contracts on, you would have passed. Yeah, but usually CPI, you get that fast poof move. We did go up. Here's the CPI print right here, I believe. That's a pretty decent move up. Definitely a decent move. Not a chance for moves opens. Yeah, Nacho. They got it all wrong. Inflation will be passed on PPI before CPI. Well, we have PPI coming out tomorrow morning as well. So are we going up today on the CPI print and then down tomorrow? Because since that CPI print came out, we have lifted up here a little bit. We have the Dow up 16 points. Crude oil now is below 101. It's only up $2.67. So Kyle says that CPI looks about right. Hey, don't worry, it's transitory. Lulu doll with oh man. So they're trying to get it up. And again, we talked about it, the markets, a little bit ago. If we were to open up down here, we'd have a gap down. Well, now look, we're already coming up. Are we going to be able to go up there and fill that gap? We may. Q 29,000 will be breached today. Wait, let's go. I like it. I like it. I like it a lot. NASDAQ and Q stood out. Down 195. Let's see. Do they go all the way back up there and fill the gaps? I'm kind of curious. Curious. Yeah, I don't see that today. Yeah, it might have a big move up at the open. We could. We'll see. We'll see what the open brings. No, let's look at Bitcoin real quick. Bitcoin's down a little bit this morning. Hey, so what time frame are you looking at the barcode on Bitcoin? No chance on 29,000. Not today. I don't know. Wait, so let's look. The average range right now on the NASDAQ is 448 points. So if we don't go out and take out the high up here, which we could, we got a 342 point range. Let's just go see where would, let's draw this out real quick. What did we say the average was? 448. Well, look, 450 would bring us just above that 29,000 print. We did one giveaway. We had two winners already. We got two more Take Profit Trader accounts to give away today. So we did one early on. And tomorrow we might just give out different phrases. Let Nightbot pick out two of the winners or two of the TPT winners tomorrow as well, or at least one of them. I don't know. We'll figure it out. But we're going to give away 4 accounts today, 4 accounts tomorrow, 4 accounts on Thursday. And on Wednesday, you also have another shot in the Wednesday analysis, market analysis video. And then in Thursday's video as well, you got 5 chances to win. So a total of 20 accounts will be given away. We've had 2 winners so far, so still 18 accounts up for grabs. So Yeah, Q does not go down. Sideways is the new down. That's the new down. But, and we have about 30 minutes until the market opens. So here in just a moment, we're going to go over some of the key levels we need to pay attention to this morning. But first, let's go look at the volatility index. Where is the VIX at now? All right, VIX is on the move down. Look, VIX is getting into this gap right over here. The gap from this morning. VIX is into it. Does the VIX come all the way down and fill it? That's showing us there's no fear in the market. So it's going to be hard for the market to continue down without that. All right, look at crude oil. Crude oil is rolling over as well, trying to come back towards the VWAP at the moment. Dollar index. What do we have with the dollar index? Dollar index is up a little bit. Now I want to see dollar on the daily. Dollar could have this little bear flag, or could this be a double bottom? Bottom one, bottom two. So we'll have to wait and see. And a little ABC pattern on the way down. So multiple patterns. Just wait and see which one gets validated on this first. I am kind of curious. I want to go look at something real quick. So we're going to look at the SPY real quick. SPY. We get rid of that VWAP. We'll go over the volume profile levels and such. But if we come over and we look at the... Let's just see where the gamma levels are this morning. Where is they at? Let's go looky. So we have a lot of gamma down here, right around 740 or so, right there. Then it tapers off. Still, I think we have a little bit more gamma to the upside. But look down here to the downside, right here, right around 700 print. We're starting to build out 700 and 710. This is starting to grow from where it was over the weekend and such. If we look, 700. Wow, 710 is all the way down here. That would fill a couple of these gaps. That brings us right near this high volume node right here on the profile. Then 700 would be all the way down here, filling that gap, getting us very close near prior all-time highs in the market. So if you guys do watch the options flow data, you want to see, does this continue to build out to the downside? I know we never get a pullback in the market, but in the rare event that it does happen, well, certainly something I want to pay attention to. Now we look over here on the 4-hour time frame with the weekly volume profiles. Here's an area I still like as well. High volume zone right here. This should act as a magnet at some point once we start to get a pullback. CPI just simply was not going to be the catalyst to get us down there yet. But we'll see what happens, how it all shakes out once the market opens. We have been above last week's value area high. Currently, we are just below it. So if we stay below 74.27, that really increases the probabilities we're coming down towards this zone. We've come very close to hitting this level right here. So maybe the next target to the downside would be that high volume node at 93 3/4. Come back down towards that and then down towards this next high volume level. But then beyond that, I really like this minus development area right here. Actually, more of a low volume node right there. That would be all the way down here at 73.21. So we shall see. Look at the daily volume profiles for the S&P. What do we have? Clearly, we're below yesterday's value area low. Now, if we do get back above it, that'd be 29 1/4. If we get above that, we can look to target the point of control at 74.35 3/4. Then above that, we target the overnight highs and then value area high. Now, when we look at this from the overnight perspective, you can see we already have a rotation on the way up. We went below value area low at 74.02 1/2. First target would have been the point of control at 74.10. Next target 74.22 1/2, and then anything beyond that, I want to refer back over here to the daily volume profile and use these for additional targets to the upside. So, not too shabby. Now, what about the NASDAQ? Let's go do something real quick. We look at the NASDAQ. Let's look at the Qs real quick. I just want to look and see where the gamma is at for the Qs. What strike price has the most? So if we look, we have a lot of gamma up here. Holy crap. It's all concentrated right within about 720. 720 to about 710-ish. So about 10 point, 720 to 710. And I do want to keep an eye on this. As the day goes, we can come back and check on it and see if these lower GEX levels start to build out as the day progresses. So look, 710, 720. Well, that's kind of where we made it up to yesterday. Made it to about 714. Right now, we're below that at 708. If we stay below 710, good chance we start coming down trying to fill some of these gaps that we've left behind. The gamma levels, I'm using Mentor Q. The service I bought a 2-year subscription when they had a sale going on 6 months ago, maybe. If you guys want to check them out and get a deal, you can go to profitformike.com under tools. And I think you can save 20% or something if you wanted. All right, I hear the knocking coming. Let's go look at the NASDAQ real quick. 4-hour time frame. I do think this is my primary. I got 2 primary targets. Really, this one right here at 28,680, I think gets hit, but also this zone right here, smaller minus development area. You know what I'm actually going to do? I'll put a micro on too. I'm swinging a micro on there. So I'm going to play a micro. Initially, I'm going to try to hold it all the way down here. I don't think we get there today. I don't know. Maybe I'll take it off. Actually, I'll take that micro off if we get in this minus development area. 29,014-ish. I just put it on just now. So. All right. So that's going to be our primary targets. Now, if we do break this minus development area, that's going to be anywhere from 27 down to about 28,997. Next target would be the high volume node at 28,887. And then really that point of control, 28,680. I still think there's a good chance we hit this target today. If we don't hit it today, then next week for sure, in my personal opinion. All right, now if we come over and look at the 30-minute chart, what do we have going on here? Here's that minus development area off the 4-hour chart. And look, it correlates with the minus development area off the daily off a few days back. So I don't mind it. Get rid of that drawing real quick. You can see right now we're kind of trapped in between value area low and value area high from the overnight. So we break value area low at 121.25. This is going to be my target location. All right. Primary target location will be right down here. So let's see. In the event that we get below value area low though, and we start coming back up, then I want to target the point of control, value area high, and then maybe all the way back up here towards the highs of last night, then all-time highs in the market. Now, obviously I like the market to come down here a little bit, but we'll see what how the market shakes out. We shall see. Now I do need to fix this up real quick. And duplicate new tab. And there's the M&Q trade I have on right here. I just put on as we were just speaking about it. I'm going to try to take this all the way down to this areas down here. So we start getting down here. I'm going to look to take it off. Now, maybe I get greedy and I look for more, but I doubt it. That's probably where I'm going to take it off at. And again, I'm willing to hold it. So if we don't hit that target today, I'm going to be very slow on adding to this trade. Only because I'm going to turn this into a swing trade where I hold it multiple days. Because I do think that point of control is going to get tested. I don't think that point of control gets tested today though. So let's see. Now I do need to get this situated for, where's that account? So I do want to trade the Apex accounts this morning. A little bit brand new accounts. Hopefully the market does not do me dirty this morning in these accounts. That'll kind of stink. Oops. So I'm just trying to get my. Okay, there we go. I get my ATM and all that set up. You don't see it going to 200. Hey, Patriot, what's up? Good morning. Those shorts usually get squeezed. Yeah, they might. They might. Squeeze, squeeze, and squeeze some more. Squeeze all that juice out of it. We'll see if they try to rip it. Yeah, I we do break our own rules, but they say, you know, rules are meant to be broken. So let's go. Let's go. Let's go. We have about 20 minutes until the markets open up. If you guys want to smash that lucky like button, you might increase your luck out there this morning. Oh, no, I look at them on the ES as well. So you can see my gamma levels on the ES right over here. So I have them imposed on the chart. You can see right now we bounced off GEX1 right here. We have the 1 day minimum down here. We have the HVL level right there. We have the call resistance all the way up here. But we already talked about these earlier on the stream. That's why I didn't bring them up again. So we came right down here by put support. So far, the NASDAQ has held it. We'll see if we can work our way. Look, that 1 day minimum is right within that zone that we already identified with that minus development area. So we'll see if we see more weakness this morning and we can make it down there. And you will be amazed. So you can convert. They have a way where in the indicator where you can convert the SPY and the SPX levels onto the ES. But I'm actually looking at the ES and NASDAQ options market. Is how I have it set up on those charts. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Can they push it? Can we go all the way up and fill the gap down that we're going to get this morning to where we maybe don't even have a gap down? See, head and shoulders on the SPY. Hey, JD, what time frame on the SPY? What time frame? Just get rid of that. I don't see no head and shoulders on this chart. I mean, maybe on the 5 minute you can see it, but I don't like how close to the head, left shoulder, head, right shoulder be slanting. Maybe. Can we pass TPT evals in 1 day? No, they have a 50% rule. It's going to take 5 days to pass. So I know the 50% rule sounds weird because most prop firms have a 50% rule you can pass in 2 days. Big profit traders can take you 5 days to pass. So that is one negative to some people, but I do think it's actually a positive. When you go on tilt, it forces you to slow down. So forces you to slow down. So I don't mind it. They have the best payout policy in the business. In my personal opinion, nobody beats Take Profit Trader on their payouts. There's some other prop firms that have good payout policies, but not as good. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, daily payouts. And you get paid out from day one, and they don't cap how much you can request out. So if you make 10 grand today, you can take out, oh, let's say you're 10 grand above the buffer, you can take out all 10 grand. So they don't limit how much you can take out. It's really awesome. Hmm. All right, so one of the winners says, one of the winners of the Take Profit Trader account says they cannot sign up because it's not allowed in their country. So if that ends up being the case, we may just give away 3 more later. Stocks have been very strong all night. Yeah, hopefully you can hold on to it, JD. The SMH is just ridiculous. It's allowed of mine. Hey, Trim Trader, good morning. Yeah, JD, stocks is up 7% still. Look at SMH. Look at the big gap down at SMH. All the way down, filling that gap over there. So let's see. I'm still waiting for the second winner to email me back. Haven't seen it yet. Promise you a pass. There is no guarantees in trading. The only guarantee is your account balance will be at a different value after you're done trading for the day. Might be higher, might be lower. Oh, dang it. I forgot that poll. All right, what are we going to get? Are we going to get a pop or will we get a drop at the open? If you guys want to go ahead and vote, I just submitted the poll into the chat. Let's see what you guys think, guys and gals. And I got to be ready. Ready. Hey, Mark, good morning. You did email me? Here, let me go log in this way. I didn't see it show up on this one, but give me a second. Usually takes a little bit longer. Log in. Hey, Benjamin, good morning. Hey, Benjamin sent me a stats yesterday. Pretty impressive stats he sent. It's like, man, if I could just be that good one day, please. He's been killing it. Let me see. I'll bring over the market on open orders as we get about 5 minutes away. Yeah, hey, I got your email. Oh, no, I don't. I did not get your email yet. Hey, Fuelish. Oh, no, Fuelish, I got yours. It's the other winner I didn't get. I think. Oh, let me get a look. Which one did I get? Yeah, so I got mini traders. I got mini traders email. I did not get the Fuelish. I didn't get your email yet. Did not get it. I'm trying to bring it back down. Oh boy, oh boy. Oh boy, oh boy. Yeah, I had 3 of them. I had the OG version of it. I've had it like 2 other times. But the sound's coming from Bookmap. It's Market Pulse. It's correlated between the between the ES and NASDAQ. I have the threshold set at 81, positive and minus. So when the meter goes beyond that, you start hearing the sounds of the buyers and sellers. Knocking is sellers, and buyers more of a chirping type of noise. Let's go check in on the little micro trade I put on is still going. So that's good. Nice ABC pattern forming on. Hey, Raj, that's a good eye. Might have already hit target if you're looking at this one right here on the 1 minute. Yeah, 1 minute, we just hit it. So we have about 10 minutes until the market opens. About 10 minutes. And we look over here on the NASDAQ, we can see we had some still icebergs over here. We're up here. We still have one that's trying to go across. Has not completed that order yet. And what do we have for levels down here? Any major liquidity? Yeah, 29,000. We talked about that. 29,000 is near that 1 day minimum as well, isn't it? Nah, 1 day minimum is a little bit higher. About 29,023. But kind of in the general vicinity. Oh, from 8:30? I'll bring over the market on open orders here in about 5 minutes. Right now it has the S&P negative 38 million to the sell side. NASDAQ's not moving. Dow 23 million sell side. Fermi VWAP at 29,264. I have VWAP at 29,255. So if we look at NQ real quick, Mr. VWAP. Yeah, right up here. Around 255. Hey, Cheryl, what's up? Good morning. Thought CPI was good? CPI wasn't good. You know, they say our target rate is 2%. 2%. So if we look, are we close to 2%? 3.8. Yeah, we're almost there, right? We almost doubled it. They're expecting 3.7. We came in at 3.8. Previously, it was 3.3. Doesn't look like inflation's under control. We just look at the angle in which it's going up. Huh. Month over month, well, still 0.6, but not the 0.9 we had prior. So maybe you can say that's better. It's still horrible. Still horrible. And the core month over month came in at 0.4, expected 0.3, previously 0.2. Yeah, we just had our massive pullback of the morning. Now outside markets only go higher. You sent it to me again? All right, let's see. Oh, hey. Hey, my bad. I had it. I was when I read the email this way, I have your info. I have your info. You're good. I have your information. I didn't see it the way when I had to log in to check it where before it gets relayed to my other email. I didn't see it. I did see it. All I saw was the email I sent you. So you're good. Fearless, you're good. You are good. So the other winner says that they can't have take profit trader in their country. So we still got 3 more accounts to give away. We got 3 more. I'm going to send take profit trader the emails all at one time. So I do have specific trigger entries, all of which I've ignored recently. Not all of them, but quite a bit. I've had a sickness the last 2 months. This is what happens. No, I was trading very well above average for a while. So the average law of averages are starting to catch up. So it is what it is. Let's see. We got about a minute and a half. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to close out the poll. If you guys want to vote, I'm going to close out the poll here in about 2 or 3 minutes. Yeah, Tape Out Trader has a great deal, 50% off. 50% off, 0 activation fee this week only. So over the weekend, that sale's gone. Bye-bye. See ya. Poof. No longer here. We also have a Trump interview at 11 o'clock. We'll see if he's going to be on time for that. We have a 10-year bond auction at 1 o'clock. Didn't realize that. So 1 o'clock, we have a little bit of news as well. Yeah, Benjamin, I agree. I agree with you on that. Tape Out Trader has a pretty amazing deal, and their program is awesome. Hey, Dow's back in the red. Dow's down 35 here at the moment. Wow, I had no trades in pre-market. Oh, man, I'm so excited. I know it doesn't sound like much, but sometimes not trading is better. Especially the way I've been chasing the markets around lately. Let's see. All right, finally hit the other email. Winner. Bam. All right. So how many more minutes do we have? All right, let's go look at this real quick. Let's go looky. Mr. Market. All right, NASDAQ only 16.7 million to the sell side. S&P 83 million sell side. Dow 60 million to the sell side. Yeah, we definitely need a drop day, but we'll see if today's gonna be the day. Yeah, 20 bucks every day. Yeah, 20 bucks a day will add up. That's what I did like long time ago when I really thought about quitting. I'm like, I suck at this. It's impossible. They're right. Almost gave in today. I'm going to go ahead and close out that poll. But thankfully I stuck with it. All right, so we got about 4 minutes until the open. 4 minutes. I'm definitely not placing a trade between now and the open. I'm going to wait. This right here is Financial Juice. I have Financial Juice Elite. They had a lifetime deal, I don't know, a year and a half ago, 2 years ago, whenever it was. So I like paying one-time fees. Just like Lucid, one-time fee. I like and Tradeify, one-time fee. You don't have to worry about, hurry up and passing in 30 days before you get recharged, rebuild again. So I like that. All right, I'm going to go ahead and get these orders out of the way. We got about 3 minutes until the opening bell. Trump is slated to speak at 11. Any thoughts on NVIDIA? Yeah, it's going to be going down at some point. Yeah, hey, so my Bookmap, I have a one-time fee, or I bought the lifetime license with Bookmap too. That's why I did that. I don't like monthly fees. Now, it doesn't take me 30 days, but just in case, all right? Look, if you always prepare for the worst and it doesn't happen, you're good, right? Anything other than the worst, you're good. If the worst does happen, you already prepared for it. So you guys have heard my story. Those of you who have been with me for a while, back in the day, back when I was 18 to 21-ish, I had a lot of credit cards all maxed out. Hey, Jesse, what's up? Good morning. I had 13 credit cards maxed out. I had my own apartment. I had a car. I had a motorcycle. I had a jet ski. And sometimes I had to walk to work because I had no money. I had no money for gas. I had to walk to work a couple times. I never paid a bill late ever. And after that, I was like, I'm never doing that crap again. So I don't like monthly bills, probably because of that. All right, we got about 2 minutes until the opening bell. Let's get ready. So I like to prepare for the worst. I didn't prepare for the worst back then. They kept sending me credit cards. I'd get them in. Oh, this is great. You only got to pay this little bit. Oh, then you learn later on that you pay that little bit, it doesn't go anywhere. So let's go. Let's go. Again, we got more Take Profit Trader accounts to give away. We've already had one duck race fire off. We're coming up on the market open. Uh-oh. Did I end the poll? Let's see. Because it's gone. Yeah. So the pops won. 57% say we are going to pop. 43% say drop. Let's see what that 1 minute candle is going to hold. We got 1 minute left. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Which way do we break? Scam candle. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah. Mark out open orders. Yeah. I'm trying to flip now. S&P is actually positive now. 96 million buy side, 54 million on the NASDAQ. They just flipped. All right. We have about 24 seconds left. Oh, boy. Let's get it. I've placed no trades yet this morning. Pretty happy about that. Got to slow things down a bit. I've been way over trading. Way. All right, here we go. 4 seconds. Ding, 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 ding. The market is open. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Are we going to push it down? They're trying to push it. They're trying to push it. Or are they going to rip it right back up? Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Is that just a little fake down? They're going to rip it up, or do we continue down? What's it going to be? Uh-oh. We get ready to rip back up. Are they going to rip it back up? Probably a fake down. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, everybody faked out and ready to rip it. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Let's see, let's see. First 1 minute candle was down, so everybody that voted for pop was incorrect. I want to pounce. I wants to pounce. So far, this candle has not taken out the low yet. Will it be able to? Will it be able to? Maybe, maybe not. You voted pop and then you shorted right before the open. Oh, man. They can't make up their mind. Are they going to try to push it? Look, this candle right here is the inside candle, second candle. Let's see which way we break. We going to break and go back up or what? Or what? Let's see. Let's see. Looks like he's going to try to break it. Let's see. Let's see. Can we get a little win? There we go. Small little win there. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Are they going to bring it back down or not? Yeah, short's like, man, we keep getting run over every time it looks like a short. Oil's back up $1 or $3.80. Up 101.86. So one trade, one win this morning so far. I do want to see if we can come down here a little bit. We'll see if we get down there or not. Market's just kind of hanging out like, do we go down or not? The short's like, I don't know. I want to short, but we've seen this game before. Every time they look like they want to go down, they just rip it right back up. Let's go look real quick at the ETFs. Qs, big gap down. Big gap down the Qs. We look at IWM. IWM gap down, continues to go down. We look at diamonds. And diamonds gap down, try to wick up. Diamonds still going down. And SPY. SPY gap down. Man, what about RSP? SPY's down 0.38. RSP's down 0.30. Let's see. Still think we're going to come down here a little bit. Might be a little bit late to that party, but let's see. I think we're going to try to come down here. Let's see if we can break down here just a wee little bit. Please. All right, it got me. I still like the potential move down though. Still like it. Get one more shot. That's moving around quite quickly. There we go. All right, made back what I lost on that last trade, plus a little extra, I think. Not a whole lot more extra, but there we go, coming right back down. They touched $1 today. Let's see. All right, rip it right back up. They're trying to go down there, having a hard time breaking back down here. So you might want low of the day. I am still in that one micro trade from this morning on the live stream, which I'm not going to get out to. We still got another 150 points or so before I look to get out of that. Yeah, hey, Minnie, it'll be way too hard for me to try to go find that person's. It might not even be on here anymore. I don't know. There was like 3 of yous, I think. Missed TP by 1. I still like this to the downside, possibly. Let's just see. Got me. How to participate in the giveaways. I'll give out a key phrase. You gotta type it into the chat. Put everybody into a duck race. And once you're in the duck race, who's ever duck wins. Now we had 2 winners in the first one. One of them, they couldn't take the account. So we might have 3 winners in the next duck race. Play out Payout will be spot 1, 2, and 3. But you also have to be signed up to the email list down below. Otherwise, if you win, you will forfeit. So we might do 3 winners in the next giveaway, which will be today. We give away 4 Take Profit Trader accounts on each one of the streams, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Wednesday's analysis video, we'll give away another 3 accounts. And then Thursday's video be another 5 accounts for a total of 20 accounts. All right, I'm willing to go long here. Let's just see though. Ooh, I was up 240 on that trade too. Hopefully you go back up there, Mr. Market. Come on. A little bit more. Oh, come on. You can do it. Don't be a scaredy pants. Oh, wow. Dow's down 238 now. That was doing pretty good earlier. All right, that puts me at new session highs right there. And I do like the fact that I have went long and short this morning. So I'm not too locked in on one bias. The mentioned giveaway link. I have filled daily. No, hey, so if you've already signed up for the giveaway, you don't have to sign up again. The only way you'd have to sign up again is if you took yourself off the email list. So as long as you didn't do that, you're fine. Dude, we might be getting a rocket here. Rocket. Trying to come back up to the VWAP on the NASDAQ. So if we look right here at NQ, Mr. VWAP, where are you at? All right, right up there. Cadillac, what's up? Trying to get there, not quite there yet. We look at the Russell. Russell's pretty far away from it. We look at YM, Dow Jones. Wow, it's just getting pummeled now. Dow Jones is holding up the best overnight in pre-market. Then we look at the ES. Yes, it's below the VWAP, but maybe trying to make a turn here. Waiting for the first 15-minute close. Yeah, we'll see what that opening range is here in a moment as well. Wow. 10-year bond auction. Let's go look at the... Yeah, we got 10-year bond auction here at 1 o'clock. Still, I want to watch the VIX. Does the VIX come down and close the gap? If so, could be a little bit more upside testing. Dow's down 303 now. Oil's up $3.48. Let's see. What's it gotta be? What's it gonna be? Right there at the VWAP, do we end up turning and coming back down? Or not? Or does it just keep on going? Yeah, if you fill out the form yesterday, you should be good. You shouldn't have to refill it out again. All right, we're still trying to run up here a little bit. You can see we're pretty far away from the EMA right here too. EMA to price getting stretched away. Regression channel is facing down. But we do got some trade detector bubbles popping up. NASDAQ's trying to get it to the upside. Let's go look at that on the 30-minute chart real quick. Nice little bouncy bounce back up. Again, we do have a volume profile rotation off the overnight levels. Next target, we've already hit the point of control, target 1. Next target's up here at 296. 296. Yeah, once in a lifetime or whenever, if you take yourself off the list. Look over on Bookmap. You got some stop loss orders being hit. You got some sell iceberg orders. I'm going to try to see if I can get cute with it. Play down towards that 200 EMA real quick. Or if they're going to push it a little bit more. Hopefully not. I like how it's not really going down there. Pullbacks are pretty shallow. My order is pretty strong support here. They cannot bust it. Again. Like, whoop, we're gonna go down and get him in green. Nope. Whoop, we're gonna go down again. I should have got out. I was looking for a quicker reaction on that trade. I'm just gonna close it. All right, I'm out. I'm out. It was like whoop, whoop, whoop. I really thought I had a shot of stopping me out, but I do like the fact up here, you can see the 684 stop loss orders. We got buy ice up here or sell ice up here trying to sell it. Some more stop loss orders just fired off the 108 contracts. Look down here at the bottom. Can you guys see the bottom of that? Oh, you guys might not be able to see it. Can you? Oh, you guys can't see it. I got to readjust that then. So here, I'm going to move this up. So look right here, I can see the difference in the iceberg orders to the sell side and the stop loss orders being hit. It's a pretty good sign that we're starting to get absorption around those areas, even though I didn't see the absorption indicator kick off. Here comes 300 still long. I'm still short one, which I might add to that actually. Not yet. Not yet. Not going to add to it yet. Yeah, maybe I should. Yeah, I am. I'm going to add to that M&Q trade. Yeah, I probably won't add any more today. Hit my target 294. Good job, Raj. I just added to that M&Q, so now I got 2 on it. And again, I'm trying to look for a big target all the way down here. All the way down that zone with those micros. So 33 down to about 28,994. We'll see if we make it down there. All right, let's go look. How wide is this opening range? High to low? 142 points. That's a decent range. Pretty decent. Delta's nuts. Wow, Dow's down 365 now. Woo. So look, Dow was looking pretty good in pre-market. Look, Dow's still plowing through lows. IWM down by the lows. Qs are still trying to come back. Qs like, I know this game. We're going to fill the gap. SPY's trying to come down here a little bit. And got the bounce. Nice. Come on down. The MQ trade's now in the green. Hey, Raj, are you favoring the downside or the upside at the moment? Trump says, I think the meeting with China's president is going to be good. We have to do tariffs a different way. Less efficient, but I get to charge more. Look, short term. Oh, I got to fix this. I got to change the trade detector bubble size. I can't see that. Trade detector. We'll do 60 on the NASDAQ. I gotta go change the ES as well. ES is coming down for a low today. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. So I'm gonna actually bounce out a little bit higher. Yeah, so on the ES today, I'm going to run the trade detector bubble setting at 150. Let's see if we can break that low of the day. If we break the low of the day on the ES, where are we likely going to go? So I have this area. I'm going to draw a horizontal line right there. So 95 would be the next target on the ES. We break the low of the day. Low of the day is at 98. That's not very far. Then beyond that, I really want to target this whole zone down here. 71 all the way down to 55. I'm trying to space out my trades a little bit. Try not to have another hot mess like yesterday. Yeah, hard to type and trade. I agree. I agree. That Dow's got smoked. So the Russell's down the most percentage-wise, down 1.18%. And where do we have the RSP at? Mr. RSP, where are you at? RSP's down 0.72%. SPY is only down 0.47%, so RSP is doing a little bit worse. Come over and look at the heat map real quick. What do you have over here? NVIDIA's up, Apple's up, and that's it for the Mag 7. Intel's down pretty good. So I see some of the chips. All right, so if the chips are down, let's go look. SMH. SMH had a gap down. It's currently down 1.72%. Scam after scam candle. Oh, man. The scam candles. Think about taking a shot here. Think about taking a shot short here. I think you don't want to feel me. Don't want to feel me. Although if they put that trade detector bubble, that buyer in the red, he might feel a little bit of pain. Come on, don't just go all the way down there. You guys ever realize the trades that don't fill are the ones that would have worked out the best? No heat, just work. Now I'm way later than where I wanted to be in at. That's what I get. That's what I get. I still like the idea of going back down towards the orb low though. Right down here and then the low of the day. I still like it. So I'll give it another shot here in a second. Well, I see these EMAs are going to weaken here a little bit. And then I'm going to take a swing at it. That sucks. Oh, that stinks. Look how beautiful that would have been. That would have got back where I lost in that previous trade. You're not shorting or long? Going straight. Hey, so the micro trade I have on is doing pretty well at the moment. Up $219 on the micro. On. There we go. Or blows at 140. Target. I still want this orb low retest. So I'll wait and see if the EMAs weaken again if I can get in. It's funny now. Two trades I really wanted, I did not get filled on. And they both would have worked out fantastic. But that's how it shakes out sometimes. And where's that zone again on the ES? What price point? 71. 71. 3 for 3. Nice. Hey, good job on that one, repeat. Good deal. Good deal. Mr. YM short. I missed the NASDAQ short I really wanted. But it's all good. All good. Man, that was a beautiful 9 count right up here too. Let's see. Do we turn back down or not? Have we seen the low of the day? I do want to go look at something real quick. Are we going to come back down now or what? Little trade detector bubble up here on the Mr. NASDAQ. We get these EMAs weaken a little bit. I might go short again. Ooh, come on. I'm going to read your comment here in just a second about your payout. I can only see part of it. I'm trying to focus on this trade. So give me a second. I will read it and answer your question. Come on. Come down a little bit more. There we go. Puts me at new session highs. Thank you very much. All right. So Joseph says, hey, Mike, my first payout got approved last Tuesday. And so I've not received it, and I have already requested my second payout yesterday evening. Hope it gets approved. They'll pay you. I'm assuming you're talking about Apex. They'll pay you. You'll probably have your money. Hey, did you set up your banking information? Did you set up the banking information in the back end? If not, they have nowhere to send the money. So you want to make sure you have the banking information set up. Otherwise, you're never going to get the money. Okay. I had talked to one trader. I haven't given him my money. I was like, all right, did you set up the banking information? Where'd I do that at? I'm like, you're never going to get the money if they don't know where to send the money to. All right. So look, I like that. Look, we have an ABC pattern trying to set up right here, but I would suspect by Thursday, you'll have your money. I would suspect. All right, there we go. Look, ABC target is just below the opening range low. I like this area. Yeah. Apex will pay you. Now, they're not as quick as My Funded Futures, which is super fast. Probably the fastest out there. Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, they're all really, really fast. They've really set the bar really, really high. Apex will pay, and you can get a lot more money out of Apex than a lot of the other prop firms because you can have 20 accounts. But let's see. Do we make it down there? Come on down. Let's get it. My micro trade's almost up 300 for the day as well. What's going on there? There we go. My chart's frozen. It's not frozen on my other one. All right, look, we're gonna come down all the way down that opening range low. Exactly what I thought. Dang it. The chart's just jacked up. What's going on there? Why is this chart froze? My chart is froze over here, but not froze on the other screen. I'm up 400 and something on it. Forget that madness. Let's try to see if we can do this. There we go. Oh, I'm up 340. Why does it freeze? Look, it's froze again. My other ones, every time I put M&Q on this screen, it's frozen, but on my other screen, it's not. Look, one chart's frozen, the other one's not. What's up with that? All right, it's moving again. Look, it moves a couple ticks and then it freezes. Hey, but my other one isn't freezing. What is going on? I'm up more on that trade than what it shows right there. We're now at 134, so. And my CPU performance should be. Oh, sorry, I'm muted. All right, took out the low of the day. I was saying, Raj, my CPU is only using 18%. I don't like that. I don't like that. I can't show the MNQ trade. Look, this chart doesn't freeze. Only when I put the MNQ on it. But my MNQ that I executed the trade on isn't freezing. I don't know what's up with that. That's weird. Yeah, I don't know. Hey, I did. Hey, Raj, I did reload it. See, watch, it'll move for a little bit and watch, it'll stop moving. Watch it make a liar out of me. Hey, so here's where I'm trying to take it to. All the way down here. All the way down this shaded area. Right there. 29.37. Which that's going to be a banger of a trade for the 2 micros. And I still want to trade all the way down towards this point of control down here, but I'll do another micro trade. If I can get out of this micro trade in this area right here, I'll get out today and then look tomorrow and stuff to start trading back down towards here. But all right, we are not quite at the low of the day yet. Got a trade detector sell bubble down here. We did smash that ABC target to the downside. Now I'm gonna have to redraw that zone again. Dang it. Let me redraw that zone out. Oh no, it's still there. All right, we're good. We're good. Yeah, they get approved fast. They just take a little bit longer to get hit your bank account. That is true. Hey, if you guys remember back in the day, though, you submit your payout request, and it would take 8 or 10 days sometimes to get approved on Apex. So they definitely made improvements. So, all right, we get a bounce. I don't want to bounce yet. Don't bounce yet. You see that ES has made some new lows down here, trying to bounce now. ES has not made it down towards this area down here, 71, all the way down to about 55. Again, that comes right off here, the high volume area of the profile of the 4 hour. Got some trade detector bubbles down here. Hey, MAQ chart's working still. Wonder what's going on with it. That's kind of weird. Triple bottom on the 5 minute. I don't know. I still think we're going lower. We've been up for way too long. Way too long. So, Iran says they have significantly expanded its definition of the Straits of Hormuz. It now considers the waterway to encompass as a much larger area than before the war. All right, we're coming up on the low of the day here. Let's see if we flush it. You see the red line starting to show up. Let's see if we flush that low of the day. Don't forget, if you guys haven't yet, smash that lucky like button. Show your support. I do truly appreciate it. 244 likes. Oh, man, you guys rock. Past 3 TPT accounts. 2 born needed. Need about $75. Oh, man, congrats. Good job. I'm up 560, 570 on this M&Q. Still not at my target yet. Still not at my target. Oh, man. Let me redraw that. So you can see the target down here on the 1 minute. Right down here. This is where I want to take it to. Dominating the taco. Let's see this get in there. I'm going to come over and I'll switch over and get out of that micro trade if and when we get down there. If and when. So now if we look at the gaps, do we leave these gaps behind today? Oh, we're going to do a poll real quick. All right, do we fill the gaps today? What do you guys think? We have a gap. Here's SMH. If you look at the SPY, big gap down. Big gap down the SPY. QQQs, big gap down. Diamonds almost filled the gap. Diamonds came up here and tried to fill the gap. Just sold 4 contracts. Just went red to green on. Hey, it's good when the accidents work out in your favor. Much better than when it does the opposite. We do have some liquidity here on the ES as well. 73.90 and then 73.80. Watch those levels. Watch them closely. Got a 9 count down here on the 1 minute. Yeah, good eye on that one, Robert. 9 count down here on the 1 minute. Kind of curious. Will we make it back to this center regression channel line right here? Do we make it back there? Then maybe get a rejection back down. A big possible ABC pattern down. Hey, JD, on what time frame? Sorry, you guys couldn't see the regression channel. I realize I have Bookmap up still. Here's our regression channel right there. See if we can make it back up towards it. We made it down to the second deviation band on the VWAP too. Huh. So look, here's the second deviation band on the VWAP. Right where that 9 count was. 5 minute. Yeah, I don't see it. I'm not seeing your ABC pattern at the moment. Ooh, trade detector buy bubble right there. Yeah, do we send it back down? Nope, guess not yet. I was hoping that bubble right there was going to send us back down. I might give it another shot. Wow, I hit the button way up higher. I hit the button about where the EMAs were. They did me dirty on that entry. They did me dirty on the entry. That's all right. I made it back what I lost plus a little bit extra. So it took me 2 shots. Lost one, made one. I like it. I like it. Back over just over 500 bucks on those micros. There we go. Let's go. Keep the micros going. Oh, you're on the socks? Oh, let's go look at that real quick. Oh, yeah, you might have an ABC pattern there, JD. I can see it there. Yeah, target would be up here at 933. Is that what you have, JD? Right around 933? Let's go play NVIDIA. Let's go look at NVIDIA real quick. Yeah, NVIDIA is still up 0.42%. And Apple. NVIDIA and Apple are green. Walmart's up. I mean, this whole sector over here is getting pummeled. AMD, MU, Intel. What about SanDisk? Let's look at MU real quick. SNDK. Yeah, SanDisk down 5%. You're done after that trade. Let's see. Let's see. Right here, this is trading view right here. So then when I'm on this screen, left-hand chart would be a 1-minute chart. I have Renko chart, Ninja Renko bars over here. I have 4-hour candles, and I have 30-minute candles. I might take another short here in a second. Let's just see. Will they push it down or not? I don't like how high they pushed it up once I got short. Need to push it down. Push, 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 push. I like how it keeps getting me in the green, then popping right back up. I don't like that. Yeah, that's why I don't like it, because that crap right there. That's exactly why. Then Joker just goes up there and stops me out just to go down on the trade. Oh, stupid. Let's see if we can get back down there by a low of the day. It did me dirty on that. Ran up there just to stop me out, just to go back down. All right. All right. Hold up. Hold up. Slow things down a bit. Don't want to go chasing the P&L. See if we're going to be able to bust back up. We're holding below that middle, that center regression channel line. I want to give it a fighting chance. I gave it 2 shots. 1 shot, I would have been right on if I would have just got in a little bit sooner. Now let's see which way we're going to break out this barcode. Don't forget, if you guys want to vote, will the gaps fill today? What do you guys think, guys and gals? Yeah, I wish they did. I wish we could have screenshots in the chat. That would be good. But oh man, they're gonna rip it back up. So we can go towards that upper regression channel. Trying to play up towards this upper regression channel right here for a little bounce. I'll get out before it gets all the way up there. That's just my general direction where I think we're trying to head. I should have taken that before he smacked back down. What happened to all the chirping? What happened to all the buyers? Come on, just push on up. Push on up a little bit. Push on up. Come on. You can do it. A little bit more. A little bit more. Oh, it just won't get up there. There we go. All right, new session high. So I took 2 losses and then got one more trade and made back more than what I lost in those 2 trades. Very good, very good. Where's VWAP at? Let's go look at it. Mr. VWAP, where are you at? I'll start off with the ES real quick. And we're getting pretty darn close to it. NQ. A little, not too bad. And NQ had a pretty good rip off that second deviation band down here as well. So not too shabby on that. I still think ultimately we're going to go lower, but in the short term, I think we're just trying to bounce here a little bit. Let's see if we make it all the way to the upper regression channel or not. So we'll see. We shall see. Very trappy. You're more than smack it. You know they're thinking, oh, we're going to fill the gaps. The gaps always get filled. Just ask the bulls. They always fill the gaps. We get a gap lower as nothing more than a buying opportunity. Not today. Yeah, maybe not. We're going to see. That's why we got the pull up. I'm going to leave that pull up for about another 2 or 3 minutes. I'll close her down after that. No reason for the rally. Hey, you don't need a reason. The markets just go up. Nobody wants to sell. They're like, it just keeps going up every day. The bears are still a little bit scared. They're scared. They've been watching what's happened to me. Keep trying to short the markets. I do like the fact that I've been long and short today. So I feel like even though I got that big juicy target down below us, we've already done one of the giveaways. We got more giveaways. I don't know the exact time, but we got 3 more accounts to give away today for a total of 4. Tomorrow, we're giving away 4 on stream and then 3 in the video. So we have 7 accounts to give away tomorrow. And then on Thursday, we're going to be giving away 9 accounts total. And then on Friday, we're going to have some giveaways as well. Give away some Lucid accounts on Friday. I think. Nah, maybe we'll still do TPT. Because TPT still has their sale going on. So in celebration of their sale, we'll probably still just stay with TPT this week. And then next week we'll do the Lucid accounts. Let's see. So I'm trying to be patient here. Trying to have more patience than yesterday. Yesterday I was all over the place. Horrible day of trading for me yesterday. So let's see. Can we pump it? Pump it up. Yeah, you do better when you, hey, that's been one of my problems. How many times do you guys see me yesterday up over 400 bucks? Don't take the trade. I end up having a losing trade. Ridiculous. Ridiculous. So now I am favoring the downside, but I want to see more evidence. We're going to go down before I take a swing at it. Do I have that on? Yeah. Look, we made it all the way back to the upper regression channel, which is where I was looking for. But here's something I am wrestling with in my head. On the 4-hour time frame, we still have that fourth consecutive untested point of control, which I do think probably this week will get hit. If not, no later than next week. And if we don't, that'll be insane. Because then we can have a shot where we have 5 consecutive. So over here on the ES, we do have a little bit of liquidity at 74.10, about 208 contracts right up here at 74.10. About NASDAQ. What do we have for liquidity on the NASDAQ? Let's just go look. Well, really, all the way down here at 28,829. 173 contracts. It's been on the books since 10 o'clock. So for about 20 minutes, it's been on the books. I keep that in the back of our mind. Need at least 400 point drop. Let's go. See, like, I really want to short this. I really want to short it, but I'm not going to. I'm going to wait. Stocks at 9 count. I really want to short that, but I'm going to wait. We got 9 count right there on the NASDAQ. 9 count on the NASDAQ. I really like the way the EMAs were looking right here. 50 was coming down towards 200. A lot of times we get a quick little flush down, which we popped up and then we got the little flush. But so had I shorted over here, I probably would have been stopped out. Oops. Nah, I might not have been stopped out. I might have still been in it. Depending on the entry. Hey, you have ABC up on the socks. So we go SOXS. There you go. Target on that's 933. 933. NASDAQ back on the move lower. VIX is losing steam. The VIX wasn't nearly as strong this morning as I thought it would be when I looked at it. VIX only up 33 cents. This is the biggest down day we've had in a while. It's not even like a crazy down day. I do like that we're starting to get a little bit of, back and forth a little bit in the markets. I do like the fact that so far this morning I've traded more gooder than yesterday. Yeah, S&P, if you include the overnight range, is up to 52 point range, and the NASDAQ's only had 367.5 point range. I used to trade the YM, but I haven't traded the YM nearly as much as the ES or the NASDAQ ever. I'm going to go ahead and close down that poll. So it looks like a majority of chat said, no, we will not fill the gaps today. Will not. It cannot happen. Do. Bounce back up in the EMAs. I might take a shot. Gotta bounce back into these EMAs real quick. YM trades better off VWAP? I don't know, maybe. Come on, just push it down. Push it. I like how we're just not getting the follow through. Just making me a little bit nervous here. There we go. Who am I stopping the money? Probably come up and stop me out. Yeah, all right, that's fine. So basically break even on that attempt. Using their MACD and VWAP and RSI charts. Well, I would have liked to have made a little bit more on that last trade, but break even's looking pretty good right now after seeing that little rip. Essentially break even. It's break even plus a couple ticks. And then right back down. Holy crap. All right, maybe not. They're getting it to the downside. Low volume. The buyer's like, ooh, we're really gonna get to buy at a better price. Buy the dip, buy the dip, buy the dip. But we'll see. Keep in mind that Trump has the interview at 11. So we could be getting some Trump news out here in about 30 minutes or so. It'll get ugly fast. Yeah, it could. Should get ugly fast. Not even could, it should. Man, I am starving this morning. All right, still bringing it on down. I'm still in the micro trade. So I'm only up about 400 on it now. I think I've seen 5 something on it down here at the lows. And I'm really trying to get out right here in this minus development area on the weekly profile. So we'll see. 10 a.m. opening being tested. Really thinking hard about taking a short. Just not doing it yet. Not doing it. Yeah. Big money to take the market. If I ever pick up the bat and I swing for a home run, that ball hits me right between the eyes. That's so bad I want to short it. Hear the elevator music in your sleep. Come on. Push it back up so I can get shorts. Please, please. I go back down to the low of the day, which is what I want, but I want to be able to get a chance to short this. I still got the micros on, so I'm still participating in the move. So I'm not that upset. I am, but I'm not. Here comes the low of the day. Dang it. Low of the day is bittersweet. Micro is doing good, up 560 on it. But I studied it too long waiting for the drop. I was hoping for a little pullback back up and we just never got it for me to get short. I don't want to short. I can't do it. Not a good location. No volume on that move. Until that line. On the NASDAQ, if you're talking about that zone on the NASDAQ, JD, we're getting close. We got, it starts at about 38. 38 down to 94-ish, 994. So I do like my micro trade up $620. I likes it. 1030 reversal. It might happen. I think a lot of people think we're going to fill the gaps today. So look, we have the Russell down 1.58%. NASDAQ's down 1.16. ES down 0.6. And the Dow down 0.53. All right, new lows on the day. So look, you'll see it over here on this chart. On the 1 minute chart, you'll see that zone. So as we start getting into it, I'm going to exit the micros. If and when we get into it. Yeah, I know. I want to short too. I know. I want to short too. But I'm trying to be patient. Trying not to chase price around today. Yesterday was horrible. And that micro, I'm now up $744. Nice. Come on. Get it, get it, get it, get it. Ripping, 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 ripping to the downside. All right, so watch. For 1 minute, we're starting to come in that zone. All right, took one off. We're working on bar 9. I was going to close it. Closed it. Closed the micro trade out. Look, here's the two entries. One here, one up there. Bam, drop down. Let's go. Let's go. Micros for the win today. Woo. Much, much better than yesterday. Much better. JD still holding. And I want to go check on those socks. Check on the socks. Yeah, we're still not there yet on the socks. Let's see SMH real quick. SMH is down 3.4%. MU down 5.7%. Intel's down 7%. There we go. People. Oh yeah, I'm much better today. I was much, much better. I went to bed a little bit earlier. Still went to bed probably later than I should, but I went to bed a lot earlier than I have been going to bed. I think that helps out a little bit. Once I get frustrated, once I get tired, I get frustrated very easy. And me and the market just don't jive at that point. Hey, so if we do look at the VWAP bands, we got to be careful. All right, over here on the NASDAQ, here's the second band. We're coming up on the third deviation band at the bottom of that zone. So be careful. Yeah, starting to get a little bit extended. So if we bounce, do not be the slightest bit surprised. Even on the ES, we look over here on the ES with the bands. Look, first band, second band, we're almost at the third band. And we are coming into that 10:30-ish time frame. In activity rule, it says if you don't place a trade within a week, yeah, I mean, it's not hard to just place one trade a week. Just go in at, if you work, go in at night and just place one, buy, sell. It's pretty easy. That's an easy requirement to meet. All right, we're coming up on this liquidity on the ES at 73.80. Do they pull it or not? Are they going to pull that liquidity or not? Yeah, I get some bear action today. Let's see. Are we going to bounce? All right, I just closed out my prop accounts. That's a better day than I've had in a while. Why is not there? Hold up. Oh man, we gonna get the bouncy bounce. Look, I said we're down there by those bands. Be careful. Little bounce. And look, we have some trade detector bubbles down here. 9 count down there. Alrighty. So that puts my grand total today. It looks like about 9,300 in the props. So all the prop accounts there. Not too shabby. Pretty happy with that one. Pretty happy. Oh, we're going to go back down. Let's see what happens. Nice. 1,200. Let's go. Let's get it. Good deal. Yeah, it feels good after yesterday. Yesterday was not good. Too many smashing the buttons after the stream. Not trying to fight the market. Today I like it because I've been long and I've been short the markets. I haven't just been short, just been long. I've been neutral. And that's even with the fact that we had those downside targets over here on the 4-hour time frame. So the first one's been hit. So we've come into the minus development area now. Now do we make it down towards this point of control? It's the 4th consecutive untested point of control. We'll see. Do we make it down there? Maybe we do, maybe we don't. Time will tell. Don't forget, we still got three more Take Profit Trader accounts to give away today on stream. So I haven't figured out how we're going to do it yet. We're going to do at least one more duck race. Do I do winner 1, winner 2, and then do something else for the third giveaway? I don't know yet. Yeah, leave the party where you're having the most fun. It's always a good thing. 13-12, locked yourself out. Hey, so how do you guys like the lockout feature in the prop firms? You guys like that? With the ones that have Ninja Trader prop? Those of you that I've talked to, privately off stream and whatnot, seem to like it quite a bit. It helps you guys out quite a bit. See, the problem I have is if I'm up, I have no problem stopping. It's when I'm down, I can't stop. So if I'm up, I'm good. If I'm down, it's a little bit more challenging. You can't lock individual accounts. I have heard some complaints about that. So if you lock out your TPT accounts and you have 5 of them, all 5 are going to be locked out. Idiot preventer. That's the way I feel quite often too. So trying to get a little bouncy bounce here. Oh, you gave it all back, Jesse? Or all back plus some? Hopefully not plus some. $100-point wick almost on, on the 1 hour. It's pretty big. Yeah, look, we went right below the 1 day minimum and look, we came back above it. But look, if we do get back below the 1 day minimum, trying to go long, usually doesn't work out when we're below that level. See if the ES made it down there. ES didn't quite make it down there yet. All back plus 2.5. Nice. Hey, good comeback on that, Jesse. Now you need to go use that lockout feature. Where I have to come visit you, that cataprod. Now I wonder, did we already see the low today, or is there more lows to come? I don't know. I'm thinking about giving it a shot here. Ooh. Move my stop in the money. Let's not make the same mistakes from yesterday. I've already had one break-even trade today, essentially. And that way, if the market does want to go back down, can swing around and I'm not gonna like that. I got a big loss. Have my stop a couple ticks in the money. Oh, you joker. Oh, you joker. So Zal, let me go get Mike's order real quick. And then it's gonna go down. ABC completion down a 5 minute. Yeah, I can kind of see it. I can see it on the 1 minute even. Once we complete an ABC pattern, the market usually does something other than continue up. We bounced, and look right where we bounced to, right back to that structure breakdown point. So if I were to draw this out, candle wick right there to the candle body, came right back to it. Now, do we reject back down? That's what we don't know yet. Let's see. Nope. I guess we're not going back down yet. All right. Oh, hey, KD, have a great day. Yourself. So I gave some back on that last trade. Trying to see if we could go back down there by the lows, but not yet. Still down by that second deviation band. We're still below VWAP. Let's see. Ooh. I'm gonna give it a little pop here. See if we can bust up, go up towards that upper regression channel. Can we go back up there? Upper regression channel is at 147. Obviously, I'm not going to try to get the whole thing. I'm just trying to front run it here a little bit. I'll gladly take that. Thank you very much. So, look, I went short. Didn't work out. I said, hey, I'm wrong. All right, let's see if the market's going to work its way towards this upper regression channel. Took a little scalp, put me back at session highs. So let's see. Let's see. Let's see. You guys couldn't see it, but here's the upper regression channel right here. I was trying to play back up there. I didn't realize Bookmap was on. Norman says looking bullish. Might be. I still think that sometime this week we're gonna hit that point of control at 28,860 or 28,680. There we go. Why give this another shot short? Should have waited till we got to the EMAs. That was a little bit of a FOMO entry. A little bit of a FOMO entry. Let's see if we'll make it down there low. I'll gladly take that. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Mr. Markets. If I would have got filled closer to the EMAs, I would have moved my stop in the money, then kept trying to trail it on the way down, but it is what it is. And I do like the fact that I've been long and short this morning, so I feel much better today. Much better today than yesterday. Now look, that would have been a big move, all because I'm not in it, you stupid market. Oh. Wow, Russell's down 1.76%. Let's go look at Russell real quick. Look at it via IWM real quick. That's a pretty decent move down. Pretty decent little move down. Took out that swing low right over here. Let's go compare the other ETFs. Ooh, getting close. Diamond's getting close to filling that gap that was left behind over here on the 6th. Probably still has a little ways to go to fill that lower gap. And what price are we at? That's the Q's at 700. Well, let's go look. I think it's a SPY. I was thinking of 700. Let me see. It was a SPY 700. I was thinking about 710 and 700 on the SPY. That's still way down there. Not even close. The VIX isn't even all up all that much right now. VIX only up 43 cents. All right, let's see. Anything from Trump yet? I don't see anything. So now what is the next move? What am I looking to do next? For computing power, backing AI. Here they're trying to bring it down. They're trying to bring it down a little bit. They're just trying. Hey, Brickle, what's up? Let's see if we're going to go down there and take out the lows. Are we going to be able to take out the lows? Maybe. Come on, give me a little bit more. Try to move my stop in the money and just trail it. Oh, you son of a biscuit. Dang it. I think I made a couple ticks on that. You piece of junk. I was going to try and trail it all the way down and see if we can go ahead and play all the way down to the new lows of the day. So. And Brickle, Miami. Nice. I went down there last June or July. Hmm. I'm going to take it. Take it. Little scalp there. I'll gladly accept. So yesterday was almost all losing trades. So far today, it's been a lot more on the favorable side for myself. Since 2000. Nice. Hey, Dustin, see you tomorrow. And don't forget, we still got 3 Take Profit Trader accounts to give away. 3. So we'll see who the lucky 3 winners are going to be. Now, we do have a little bit of liquidity down here on the ES. Kind of watching. 73.80. You see there's still iceberg order that has not completely been filled. And 73.77. And on the NASDAQ, we have some liquidity right down here at 29,000. Right down here at 29,103 contracts. So let's see if we can make it on down there. 29,000. Would that be enough for new lows? Let's see what the low of the day is. Low of the day is at 29,006. No, I haven't checked out Codex. I've not. That's crazy. The stuff that AI can do is just amazing. Now I want that low of the day. I'm going to look to try to target this low of the day. Do a couple scalps here, a couple scalps there. Give me a shot to get in it. See if we can make it back down there. Now we got to break those little swing points. We got to break right below here. Give me a fast little break through it. There we go. There we go. There we go. I'll gladly take it. Thank you very much. Thank you, Mr. Market. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. And today feels so much better than yesterday. You guys do not even know how much better today feels than yesterday. Oh, man. 10,000 trades yesterday. 9,999 losers. We're almost at the low of the day. We almost hit that liquidity. Watch that liquidity on the NASDAQ. I want to see, do we get a rejection from that area? Let's watch it. Watch it. Yeah, Bookmap does help out a lot. And on Bookmap, I can see the stop loss orders and the iceberg orders as well, along with the rest of the liquidity. So we have some iceberg orders to the sell side. 132.15. They're trying to push it on the lows. Iceberg orders are going to be the big boys and gals as well. It's not going to be you and me, the little retail trader. Nice. Hey, Atomic Trader, good job. Good deal. The Bulls probably aren't having such a good day today, but let's see. There's some iceberg orders up there. So look, is this going to be a little double bottom? Look, could this be bottom number 1, bottom number 2? Gotta come back up and break above that first, if that's going to be how this plays out. If that does, the target would be 248. We got to break above up here before I'm worried about that target up there. You're too lazy to look? Hey, Paul, it's pretty simple. Pretty simple. buy an account and just assume that you're not going to pass. It's just gone. And then buy another one. No, I'm just joking. So they really simplified it. So one, in the eval, just don't hit the drawdown, pretty much. Don't hit the drawdown and you're good. And be out of the trade by 5 o'clock. That's pretty much it. They don't have any other complex rules anymore. So, oh, you submitted the report card. Let's go check out your report card. I know it's got to be great. Let's go see. I don't know why they didn't know. Wow, you had a good day, Paul. Man, nice. Paul had a really good day. Ooh, hold up. Hold up. All right, let's try this again. I didn't realize you had your account numbers there. Let me block that all out. There we go. There we go. Nice. Woo, 2100, 374, 173, 636, 326, and 227. Nice. Hey, good job on that one, Paul. Good day. Good, good, good. Green is always good. Green is always good. You got long with the massive icebergs? Oh yeah, I do see it on the ES, Jesse. I'm not ready to go long just yet. Thinking about it, just not yet. I'm trying to be patient. The ABC pattern did complete over here on the NASDAQ. Not willing to go long just yet. Not yet. Drop, are you going red? Uh-oh. There you go. Hey, Benjamin, it's starting to get a little drop. Little droppy drop. About trying to short this for a little scalpy scalp. Thank you very much. I'll gladly take that. Gladly take that. Thank you, Mr. Market. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Man, today is so much better. So much better than yesterday. Oh my, oh my. We need more days like this. Every day needs to be like this. Should be no such thing as a down day. Should not be allowed. Oh man. Are they gonna push? I think we're gonna break these lows. Look, one time down, two times down, third time we're probably gonna break it. And look, we're still making lower highs on the way down. Regression channel still facing down. Still facing down. I think we're gonna break the lows. Hey, and don't forget on the NASDAQ, we still have that untested point of control down here at 680. So, yeah, Bookmap does help out quite a bit. We have liquidity down here at 29,000. I want to see how we take it. Do they pull the order or do we actually trade it? Over here, when we're coming down, you see the absorption taking place over here. See that green 107 number. One of 18. All right. I still think we want to go take that low. I think we want to take that liquidity. Oh, that's horrible where they put my order, but I still want it. I hit the button a little bit higher up, but let's see if we can go down there and take that order real quick. I liked it better a few moments ago. Closed it. Hit the close button. I'll give it another shot here in a second, maybe. I do think we're going to break that low. I think we're going to break it. I'll give it another shot. First entry was not the best. Come on, let's see if we can break a little bit more down. Hopefully we don't bounce as we hit that order. Like, that's what I don't want to see. I'm out. I'm out. You see, we took that liquidity. I was hoping we were going to flush. Look, we had 126 stop loss orders getting fired off. We had some more sell iceberg orders too, smaller though. Bond yields are up 1%. Look how big that bubble's getting right there too. Where that order was, they're fighting. You see some iceberg orders firing off. Let's see if they're going to be able to bounce it. Are they going to be able to bounce it from there? Look, you see the trade detector bubble down here on the 1 minute. I likes it. No whammy, no whammy. Man, I love today so much better. So much better than yesterday. So much more gooder. So duck race, we're going to try to do, I don't know. I think for the duck race, we're going to give away 2 winners for the Take Profit Trader account. The third one, I think I'm going to let Nightbot pick somebody out of the chat for the third one. Sometimes it gets hard seeing that third duck in the race. So look, I'm gonna let Nightbot just pick a random person out of the chat. Or should we have to type in a key phrase? What do you guys think? Let's think this out. Now, I'm gonna get, has to be a key phrase. Let's see, where is Nightbot at? Where are you at, Mr. Nightbot? Calling Mr. Nightbot, where are you at? Key phrase. All right. Now we're going to do quack quack here in about 20-ish minutes. I got to find it. I got to find it. I don't know where it's at. Ah, look, new lows on the NASDAQ. New lows incoming. New lows. Let's try not to make this difficult here. I don't know where Nightbot went. Maybe I closed it out. All right, let me get Nightbot pulled back up. Dang it, I didn't get a chance to read it. All right, what do we want? Oh, we'll do this one. You guys won't guess this key phrase. I should do. I'll do it. I'll put it all caps. All right. Hey, Nightbot's going to pick a random winner. This is not going to be a duck race. And if you want a chance to win, you got to be signed up to the email list down below, and your email must be confirmed. Otherwise, if you win, you forfeit. You'll forfeit. And we still got a duck race coming up where we are going to give away 2 more accounts. All right. Wow. We got oil up $4 at the moment at 102.08. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. All right. I'm going to type in the key phrase. And the key phrase is going to be Take Profit Trader 50% off. Ooh, you guys didn't expect that one. I'll let the list marinate for a few moments. Take Profit Trader 50% off. There, it's been dropped. I forgot to hit the send it button. Make this a little bit smaller. Ooh, I can't see the button. Wow, Nightbot hasn't picked up nobody yet. What's going on there? Uh-oh, is Nightbot broken? Is Nightbot broken? What's going on there? Let me reset it. It's not pulling any names. Uh-oh. Did you guys put it all caps? Bam. All right, there it goes. All right, names are populating now. All right, names are populating now. So Take Profit Trader, 50% off. Let's go. Let's see. Oh yeah, something's jacked up here. It says only 13 people have entered. Something's going on here. All right, you guys can quit typing. Something's going on there. Let's see if I can refresh this. Let's see. I don't know what's going on here. Uh-oh. All right, hey, you guys can quit typing it in. Something's jacked up with Nightbot. Nightbot's not picking them up. Nightbot's not picking them up. Oh boy, this is going to be difficult. This is going to be challenging. Nightbot is not cooperating here. Nightbot says only one giveaway per day. What is going on with Nightbot? Dashboard. Giveaway. Nightbot's not picking anybody. Hey, you guys can quit typing it in. Oh, man. Nightbot's just not being very nice. It's not working. All right, hey, we're going to try a different key phrase. Different key phrase. Hold up. I'm going to redo it. Maybe the key phrase was too long. No, it says it can be 32 characters. All right, we'll do this. TPT. All right, I'm going to change it. Let's try a different one. Let's see if it's because I put it that way. I changed it. New key phrase. I don't know if the percentage sign messed it up. Let's try this one. TPT 50 off. Let's see if that one works. See if it populates anybody. Yeah, I don't think it liked the percentage. There we go. Now it's working. I don't think it liked the percentage sign. I don't think. So I'll let it populate for a few minutes. Hey, and you only have to type it in once. You only have to type it in once. I think. I mean, you can keep typing it if you want, but you should only have to type it in once. And here at 11:10, to give everybody plenty of time, we'll pick the winner at 11:10. 11:10, we'll pick the winner. Well, we got an icon right down here on the 1 minute. Let's see. If you look also down over here on the ES, we have some absorption. 639, 112, 125, right near that level over there. Do we now bounce? We're at the second deviation band on the NASDAQ, and the low of this candle on the 5 minute was also at the second deviation band on the ES. So let's see who's going to win it. Who's going to win it? And then we'll do a duck race here at about 11:20, 11:30, something like that. Probably 11:30. Let's see. All right, we have 109 people entered into the... So maybe if you're really nice to Nightbot, type in some nice things. I love you, Nightbot. That might help Nightbot influence the who wins. Oh man. Let's see. Again, if we do bounce, I can't really say I'll be surprised if we bounce from here. But let's get rid of this drawing up here. But I still think on the higher time frames, we have much lower prices to come still. So, all right, I'm going to get ready to pick. All right, you can cut off the type in the chat. You can stop it. You can stop typing in the chat. Stop typing in the chat. Please, 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 please. Let's go, let's go, let's go. So we have 121 potential winners. All right, we're going to get ready to pick here in about 20 seconds. Let's go, let's go, let's go. So we have 122 people entered, which is kind of funny because we have over 300 people in here. Surprised more people didn't want a chance to win. Remember, the winner, you must be signed up to the email list down below and your email must be confirmed. If not, too bad, too sad, you will forfeit. All right, let's go ahead and pick the winner. Let's see who's going to win this 50K Take Profit Trader account. Bam. Trading Life. Trading Life, you're going to be the winner. So Trading Life, what is the first 3 letters of your email? Let's see, let's see, let's see. Trading_life. Are you in here? I'm gonna start a 3-minute countdown timer. Hey Siri, set timer for 3 minutes. All right, you got a 3-minute countdown timer to respond. I need the first 3 letters of your email. Trading_life. You are the winner. Oh, there you are. There you are. Okay, I see you. I see you. I see you. I just need the first 3 letters of your email. A&D. All right, hold on. Let me look. Let me look. Let me look. Let me look. Oh, this might be you. Hold on. Nope, not you. Let's see. Oh, maybe this is. Let's see. Nope. All right. Still looking. Oh, AMS. All right. Woo. Hey, it's hard for me to read the screen where you guys are at. All right. AMS. All right. Hold on. I was like, man, I was getting down the list. I wasn't looking to. I found you. I found you. You're good. You're good. All right. Let me send you this email real quick. All right. We got you. We got you. You're good. Your account. Now I just need, have you ever had an account with Take Profit Trader? If not, use the link in the description box down below and go create an account. All right. We still got 2 more accounts to give away today as well. So let me see. So, boom. All right, I'm going to send you that email here in just a moment. It's going to be sent out. I just need you to respond back to the email with the information so I can forward it to Take Profit Trader. So now we've had 2 winners so far. We still got 2 more accounts to give away today. Tomorrow we're going to do 4 on stream, 3 on the video on after 5 o'clock. Then we got Thursday. It's going to be the big one. 4 accounts on the live stream and 5 on the video that will be dropping Thursday afternoon. Taco was supposed to be talking at 11 o'clock. All right, we got to come down, push through the lows. Keep in mind, on the NASDAQ, we still have this point of control down here that has not been tested. Oops. Forgot about that. Yeah, we're going to be doing duck race. We already did one. We're doing another duck race. But it gets hard having more than 3 winners or more than 2 winners on a duck race. Sometimes that third duck is hard for me to see. So the first race we had 2 winners, but one of the winners said their country is not one that they can have a take profit trader account in. So they gave it back for me to give away. So that's the one we just gave away. When we do the duck race here in about 5 minutes, 5 or 10 minutes, then we're gonna give away 2, the top 1 and 2 spot. In this duck race, I'm gonna pick 2 people out of the chat to add in there, 2 to 5, somewhere in that ballpark. I still like this point of control. People thought I was crazy over the weekend calling for that. I still think this week we hit that target. All right, new lows on the NASDAQ. What about the ES? Yes, right there near the lows as well. Top three commentators. I don't know. I'm gonna pick the people I pick. So Nightbot will pick out 10 people. I'm gonna pick out anywhere from 2 to 5 people that I see in the chat quite often, especially those that don't typically get picked by Nightbot for whatever reason. So it's a way for me to spread the love a little bit more. I'm pretty happy with the way I traded today. Pretty happy. Moved my stop loss to break even a couple times. I took the little scalps when they gave it to me. The micro trades played out. So pretty happy. Pretty happy with that. Like yesterday was a disaster, a train wreck. I showed this at the beginning of the stream. So last night when I went to go over my trades, I'm like, oh, this just sucks. This is horrible. Look, I'll show you guys real quick. This is the mess I was up against yesterday. Oh, wrong chart. So not nearly as bad today. Still probably a few more trades than I should have, but look at yesterday. All right, look, here's yesterday. Here's the disaster. And if you can tell me what signal I missed, I'd be greatly appreciated. But look, there's all my trades yesterday. Oh, that's a train wreck. That's what you don't want to do. All right, so screenshot it and remind yourself what not to do. That was it. Oh, yeah, it definitely was cat and laser pointer syndrome. I was like, ooh, ooh, ooh. Hey, the ES just hit our target. ES is just coming into our target right there. We basically mapped this out here in pre-market, high volume node area on the profile. Bada bing, bada boom, hit. Cha-ching, cha-ching. I likes it a lot. So. So let's see. Out for a scalp. Nice. I feel good. I like that we finally got a little reaction. Hey, now, as we look at this on the 4-hour time frame on the ES, could this turn into a left shoulder, head, pull back a little bit, and then come up for the right shoulder, and then down we go? No duck race for today. Well, we've already had one duck race. We're getting ready to do a second duck race. So are you saying you don't want to be in a duck race? Is that what you mean? By no duck race? I don't know. I'm confused. So I likes it. I likes it. We finally gets a pullback. I like it a lot. Very good, very good. Oh, you want to win? Oh, okay. My bad. I thought you were saying no duck race. Hey, because what's funny is usually when I start doing the duck race, you can see the numbers on the stream drop off. So I didn't know if you were saying, hey, don't do a duck race. You don't want to see a duck race. You want to see the markets. So, and again, I'm going to pick out a couple people as well. You need 250 point more drop. Oh boy, let's go. Let's go. 72 point range on the S&P, 542 on the NASDAQ. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Now I'm kind of curious. Let's go check on the VIX. The VIX wasn't looking crazy earlier. VIX back near session highs. But still only up 58 cents. They got NVIDIA red. Hey, NVIDIA was up earlier, I thought. Oh, it was. Look, NVIDIA was up. Bing, coming back down. We'll see. Nightbot's going to pick 10 people. I'm going to pick a handful of people that typically I see in here quite often, but we'll see. So Nightbot's going to pick random people. We're going to type in a key phrase. I'm going to give you guys a key phrase. You guys type it in. And then I'm going to pick 2 to 5 people that Nightbot did not pick out and that I see on the stream on a regular basis. That way I get a chance to give back to the people that come out here and support me as well. So if you're lurking, I don't really know. Like I don't see you. So Nightbot could still pick you. Nightbot could still pick you. But if I don't see you, I don't know that you're on here. So I wouldn't know to even pick you. All right, let's go see where Nightbot is. I got to type in a new key phrase. Dang it, I deleted Nightbot again. Hey, but at least I know now Nightbot does not like percentages. Hey, Benjamin, I do see you on here all the time. I do. I see you. I sees you. All right, new lows over here on the NASDAQ. All right, so we got to change the key phrase this time. What are we going to pick? I don't know if they're going to like this or not. I don't know if Nightbot will like this, but maybe. All right, I'm going to give out the key phrase. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. Oh, I'm going to be in Costa Rica a lot sooner than you guys think. Just saying. Just saying. Ooh, I got to type this. Copy it. All right, let's get ready. Flying carpet. Let's get ready. I'm going to type in the key phrase into the chat here in a moment. Look at the ES real quick. Just want to see where we're at. Do we bounce from that high volume area or do we flush down towards... Look, we have another minus development area down here on the ES at 73.20. I don't know if we make it down there today, though. Quite far. That's quite far. All right. All right, so I'm going to drop the key phrase in 3, 2, 1. TPT 50 off. Use code Mike. All right, Emerald Green Waves. You got the #1 spot. I don't even have the duck race up. What a rookie. What a rookie. All right, so you got to bear with me for uno momento. I'm in a pretty good mood today. Got to be honest with you. Today I'm feeling pretty good. All right, so we got the first winner selected in. All right, let's see. Nightbot is going to select the next winner. All right, there we go. Next one is going to be Ace Trades. I see you on here quite a bit as well. Next one is going to be Joyce. Oh, man, my eyes are horrible today. Yeah, Joyce Fernandez. Oh, man. Miss K911 in the house. And we're taking out new lows. Are we going to make it all the way to that point of control today? Maybe. All right, next one's going to be David Bonham. You have a spot in the duck race. Next contestant is going to be Futures Trader 5522. Hey, look. Hey, you guys can see. Already the viewers in the chat dropped off. We lost like 30 viewers as soon as we started doing the duck race. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Which I think is kind of funny. All right, there's the next one. So some of y'all don't like the duck race. I guess you just know you haven't been having your ducks do their workouts. So you're scared. I remember, if you do win, you got to be signed up to the email list. Otherwise, if you win, you forfeit. Just saying. Sam, you have a spot in the duck race. I think that's 10. All right, you guys can quit typing in the chat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, you guys can quit typing in the chat because now it's going to be up to me. Benjamin, you are in here on a constant basis. I'm going to give you a spot in the duck race. Eagle Eye, you're in here quite a bit. I'll give you a spot in the duck race. Let's see. Peter S. I haven't seen you in duck race in a long time. We'll give you a spot in the duck race. And let's see. Frank second. I'm going to give you a spot in the duck race. And let's see. I'm going to throw Raj in there. Raj is in here every day. I don't think Raj has ever won anything. So we're going to throw Raj in the duck race as well, blessing us with all that knowledge he has. All right, so that's going to wrap up the 15 participants. Let's see. Do you have what it takes to win the duck race? I set it for 1 minute. Ooh, I got to get ready to record. Let's go. On your marks, get set, beep. Let's go. Who's going to win? Duck 10 to win. Oh, let's see. Who's Duck 10? Sam? Maybe. Wow. We got the ES 80-point range all the way to the downside. Go, Duckies, go. Let's see. Who's it going to be? Oh, Raj is up there by the lead. Probably not looking good for you, Raj. Just saying, probably not going to be good. Nightbot loves Ace. Who's going to slingshot out the back to win it? Again, spot 1 and 2 both get a spot in the duck race, or both win. Oh man. Hey, I think Sam gets one of them. I think. I don't know. I gotta rewatch that. Sam, I think you might have won. I think you might have got the second spot. Let me look. Sam, you did win. You won the second spot. All right. Hey, John, what's the first 3 letters of your email? First 3 letters of your email. LON. Let's go. LON. I bet you it's this one. Well, why I think that. Hey, I found you. I think. Let me just double check. Yep, I found you. Love it when it goes that easy. Man, if they could all just be that easy. They could all be that easy to find. That'd be fantastic. All right, new lows on the NASDAQ. Oof. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. I wonder how low we're going to go today. How low will she go? All right, the sooner you can get that back to me, the sooner I can get the account information transferred over. So let's see. The other people still haven't responded back. All right, so it's been sent. All right, let me see. I think I might have Sam. Sam, I know you've won. I think. Actually, let's do this. Hey, Sam, what's the first 3 letters of your email? First 3 letters of your email. You were tied for second. Nah, Sam had it. Look, I looked. I got the replay. If you look, Sam's just barely ahead. Just by a smidge. It was close, though. It was close. Look, you're right there. Hey, Frank, you're right at the edge. Here, I'm going to blow this up a little bit. Let's see. So if you look, Sam's in white and you're up there. He just barely beat you by a feather. No, hey, Sam, it's Take Profit Trader. Take Profit Trader. So I might already have your info. Let's see. Do I have it? I know you've won. Lucid winner. Hey, Sam, I already have your stuff where you won before. So I already have you. So you're good. Hey, Chris, see you later. Thanks for stopping by. As always. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, Chris should be selected. I didn't see his name in the thing. If I would have seen it, I would have, because I don't think he types it in. Still more downside to come, maybe, but at some point you gotta believe we're gonna get a bounce. So if you look at the ES, we are in a zone where we could bounce, and we're at the second deviation band on the VWAP. On the NASDAQ, we're pushing a little bit more. We're about 2.5 deviations away from VWAP. So that rubber band's only going to stretch so far, typically. So maybe we go sideways or we bounce a little bit. We look at the volume profile and see where the developing value low is, way up here. Oh, hey, Sam, thanks for the donation. So I'm still waiting on one of the winners from this morning. So I have, oh, I got that one. Bam. Okay, I got 1, 2. Who am I still waiting for? All right, 1, 2. Oh, wait, I might have them all. Hold on. So I have them. That's one. That was the first one. Second. Oh, they're trying to chirp it. Oh, hey, Sam, I appreciate that. You just sent me your info. Yeah, it's a lot harder to keep track of when you got 4 of these. Something's messed up here though. I feel like we're missing somebody's. I feel like we're missing somebody. We are. There's one. Oh, that was counted in there. Hold on. So 1, 2. Oh no, we got them all. I think we got them all. I'm missing you, Adam. Hey, well, tomorrow on stream, we're giving away 4 more accounts tomorrow on stream. And there's going to be a chance to win 3. I'm going to pick out 3 more winners from the 5 o'clock video. But then on Thursday, we're going to give 4 more accounts away on stream and pick 5 winners from the afternoon video. So we still have a lot more accounts to give away. So which would be good. So look, we are trying to get a little bounce here. A little bouncy bounce. A little bounce. How high can we bounce? I don't know. I'm pretty excited about the way I traded today myself. So I don't think I'm going to trade any more myself today. I think I'll be just a spectator the rest of the day. And so I like it a lot. And again, the market's been way overdone for a pullback. Way overdue for a pullback. So it's going to be funny when everybody starts freaking out. We got to get it. The market's unfair. Is it really the market's unfair or what? Or is this just normal? You guess I'm smiling? That's funny because usually I don't smile. Usually I was like, why are you so mad? I'm not mad. I'm good. Height of a dead cat bounce? Maybe. Look, we're trying to come right back down. Look, we came right back. This is going to be critical. Is this going to be the inflection point? Here's the upper regression channel right here. We're trying to get a little sideways action there. We'll see if we come back down below it. If we do, then I want to play the rotation back down again. I'm not going to take it. I'm just saying I would. Then you buy the dips into the septic tank. Oh, man. I'm happy with today, though. You guys don't even know how happy I am. A pullback is a 5% decline. Hey, not nowadays. In 2026, a pullback is 2 points or more. The market goes down more than 2 points. That's a major pullback. Oh, man. So one of the things you want to be on the lookout for, if you're going to be looking to buy a bounce, you get this regression channel to start flattening out here a little bit. But then if so, then maybe look for a bounce back towards value area low or minimum. You want to be a little bit more conservative. The top of that widespread candle right here, the top of the candle body. So that's going to be right here, right around 29,013.75. Hey, now for all the people that want a Take Profit Trader account today, all 4 of you guys, I will email you as soon as Take Profit Trader emails me back and notifies me the account has been transferred over to you. So today is much better. Yesterday, train wreck. I just wanted to get off the train so bad. Let me off. All right. So with that being said, I'm going to end the day on a good note. I'm going to send Take Profit Trader the emails so we can get the accounts transferred back over to you guys as soon as possible. So with that being said, hopefully you guys will come back and join me tomorrow. 4 more chances to win on the stream. 3 more accounts to be given away in the analysis video at night. So you definitely want to watch the video and pay attention what you have to do to win. But then on Thursday's live stream, 4 more videos or 4 more accounts. And then the Thursday afternoon video, 5 more Take Profit Trader accounts. So again, Take Profit Trader, 50% off. Sale ends this weekend. So if you want to take advantage of it, don't forget to use code Mike, as I do truly appreciate it. Helps me be able to do these giveaways and give back to you guys as well. So with that being said, take care. Have a good day. The winners, I will be emailing you back as soon as TPT emails me. All right, guys, take care.